Welcome, guys. Welcome, everybody. If you're new to this YouTube page, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Resume sharing. All right. If you can see my screen, kindly indicate you can see my screen, and we proceed. All right. Let me share my screen again so that we can. Okay. So welcome again, my people. To another beautiful video, another beautiful episode with Dexter Main. And today I'm going to be diving deeper into the crypto space to explain mysteries for new crypto traders, new crypto bees. If this is your first time in the crypto space, I can tell you this is your last stop to get crypto information that will keep you afloat and profitable in the crypto space. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to this page so that you get our content or know when we are live anytime. Welcome, guys, to another beautiful day. Yesterday, I'm going to be giving us tools, showing us tools that we can use to enhance or leverage on our profits to make higher returns on our daily, weekly, monthly trade on our cryptocurrencies. So I'm going to be mentioning some tools which are very handy. And as a new crypto trader, as a newbie, you definitely will need tools like this to help you in your daily activity of trading. So guys, without wasting much of our time, if this is your first time joining us on this page, make sure to share this link to your friends, family, and every of your colleagues out there. My name is Benson. You can call me Dexter. I'm the creator of Moon Signal. And today I'm going to be dishing us a lot of news. I'm going to be going deeper on Lunar Crouch. Lunar Crouch. Yeah. And there are a lot of tools on Lunar Crush, which if you don't take advantage of them, if you don't know that such tools they exist, you definitely will not make good or full use of Lunar Crush. Sorry, guys. So currently today the market is sitting at the market cap is sitting at $2.1 trillion. Let's refresh. Let's see the current market cap, $2.1 trillion, and the current market cap is up by 3.9%. As you can tell you, we're back to those glory days. Yes, I can confirm that to you guys. This is a huge confirmation that we are back to the bull season. This is a very, very good indicator that we are in the bull season. Don't mind the sound on my background, in a city like this. Okay, so, and we can see the 24-hour volume so far has been $135 billion have exchanged hands in the past 24 hours. Okay, and Bitcoin still reigns supreme in the crypto space, dominating the market with a whopping 42.3%, and Ethereum has slid a little bit by 1%, now at 18.2%. Ethereum was at 19% in the previous month, but right now it has slide, giving Bitcoin a hedge. So guys, what exactly is happening now? What season are we now? And what are we expecting? What are we expecting in this coming crypto boom? Because it is a boom, and if you don't know what is happening, you definitely can't make money out of the markets. You definitely can make money out of this market. But if if you pay attention and you pay you pay close attention to what is happening, you will find out that we are in a crypto boom. So guys, we're in a crypto boom. So guys, I'm gonna take a short break now, and I'm gonna get back. And when I come back, we're gonna talk more. Open up your legacy is filled with the cryptics. This the season to be merry, chilling with my crypto homies. Me back to G, getting high off that island. Very merry G, got me so big, baking Christmas cookies, eating candy cane, watching Christmas lights from my window pane. Lady E cruising round town, buying presents, using cryptocurrency as my payment, spreading gift of love. Got that XRP list. Naughty Dan, you'll be on my ex list. Merry Christmas, way high on that rich list. Get that stuff in the chimney. Merry Xmas, I'm talking about Santa Claus bringing in them big gifts. Open up your legacy is filled with them cryptics. ET in the sky when you see me passing moonlight, spaceship doing flips, doing spins all night. We be gassed up on the coins, yeah, that's all hype. We be talking fun cause you know we blasting all night. We be talking fun cause you know you can't win the fight. Faster, cheaper, quicker, we can send that money all time. Spaceship, even through the clouds, I need new wipes. I smell like gold, fresh minute coin, gold sights. Spaceship with a gold tint and some gold lights. I be in the skies and I be in them starlights. Spaceship, star bright, beaming like heaven light. I'ma hold it down for the crown, do it all night. I ain't buckled up, moon suit in my spaceship. Bags I'ma blast off in my spaceship. I'ma go away, fly away in my spaceship. I'ma do some flips, do some spins in my spaceship. I knew it was fate. I've been getting bags, stuffing bags, high stakes. Now we in the skies, dropping green bouquets. Now we in the skies, dropping bags for days. Robin Hood with the action, we all getting paid. Deep state getting slayed, they gon' run away. Most of us is woke, most of us away. We gon' save the day, then it's back into the rockets and we gon' blast away. No time to play, I got more peeps to say. They stuck in their ways, gotta get them off that cash and that change. Bring them to that new world of that blockchain. Big bags and big gains. I ain't up for the my spaceship bags and my spaceship. I'ma go away, fly away in my spaceship. I'ma do some flips, do some spins in my spaceship. Ready, set. I copy. Ready, 12. On to the wheel, ready, go. Copy that. And I'm coming to welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Oh, sorry, I got to take that short break, and we're back again. I'm going to be diving deeper. I'm going to be taking my time to explain a lot of things today. So make sure to stick around to the ending of this video, because the longer you stay, the better. I got a lot to unveil today, so I just want you to give me your listening ear. So without further ado, if you're new to this page, guys, make sure to hit that like button and also hit that subscribe You can see last night we spent a whooping 4 hours talking crypto, just like this. And over 264 people were online to stream this video in the past hours. So it's been interesting, guys, so far. So today we're going to continue where we stopped yesterday, because there was a lot to share and a lot of questions were being asked, and I couldn't go through all those questions. So today you can also drop those questions if you have them on the chat box. And don't also forget to hit the like button, also hit the subscribe button right now, and take a second, a moment, copy the link and share to somebody. So I'm going to be doing that in a split second. So hold on, let me share the link to other persons while you also do that too. So the Bullrun 2.0 has been confirmed like 100%, like it's here. And we just need to know how to spot the best altcoins, based on technical analysis, based on fundamental analysis, and how to also take advantage of the different kind of trading activities, applying what we already, with the information we get from technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So guys, I'm going to be showing us some juicy tricks where you can, if you apply them, you're definitely going to be making profit in the coming days, and it's going to save you a lot in this Bullrun 2.0. Is going to save you a lot. So give me a second. Let me go share this link to the community, and when I'm back, we'll continue. Rich, but now, ordinary, like Perry, wake up call, pal. Go to work. AMG, XRP, LOA, make my day. Welcome to the future, welcome to the show. Welcome to the party, welcome to the show. James Rule, XRP is on the go. Believe, achieve, receive. It's the laws of attraction, you gotta believe. XRP is going past the moon. We're going on a journey to the universe. XRP money never sleeps. A James Rule XRP in the house. I am not a financial advisor. I am a teacher of crypto teachers, and I'm going to get you excited, people. Get excited. Welcome to the universe. Welcome to the future. Welcome to the show. XRP money never sleeps. XRP money never sleeps. 24, 7 days a week. Talking all that FUD like a sheep. I hope you miss it. Stay asleep. XRP, see it in your dreams. 24/7, never sleep. Send that money instant. LOA, baby. Achieve and receive. Using money is too slow. On there, gonna make money flow. Go up and enjoy the show. Laws of attraction, make it grow. Line like a magnet, what you see will sow. Better ask somebody if you don't know. Pound a pot and it's full of gold. LOA, we on the road. James Rule in the house, let's go. Let them bulls out riding low. Past the moon, yes, we gon' blow. Move no soon, no moving slow. All of a sudden, boom on the go. Now we racing up the slope. Vision locked like in the scope. Positive vibes filled up with gold. XRP money never sleeps. 24, 7 days a week. Talking all that FUD like a sheep. I hope you miss it, stay asleep. XRP, see it in your dreams. 24/7, never sleep.
Send that money instant, baby. Achieve and receive. Energy always pure, never stops. Rocket out the atmosphere to the top. And my bag's running so deep. Send it on a ripple net, send it feel cheap. 24/7 ripple net, never sleeps. Auto the auto, we wake in the sheet. So they can see when they wake up, maybe they will buy up some XRP. If they get the wake up call, then we will see. I'm in a rocket ship, buckled up in my seat. We about to blast, we about to blow. Please buckle up and please enjoy the show.
XRP bags, baby. James Rule XRP. Get excited, people. Get excited. Because we're going to shoot past the moon with XRP. 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 We're going to rock the world with XRP. XRP is the way of the future. XRP is the future of data. Peace out, XRP. James Rule XRP and XRP bags. Pure energy, pure energy, pure energy. We out here. Pure energy.
Still XRP, 2021 to infinity. Guess who's back? Let's go. Ain't no mansions just yet, but watch when I lift off in my rocket ship or in my private jet. You gon' be like, damn, I should've just held. Why did I sell? Why you crying now when I told you so? In my bag so packed, they on overload. In my flare bag here, and you said it was a scam. Now how I look with my moon diamond fam, and it's still XRP to my dying hands. And you just got played cause you ain't buy no hands. Manipulators in the back with silent hands. In the flood about to burst like broken dams. And if you didn't get a bag, get a backup plan. And joining with the army, the only chance you'll have. And when you finally hear about, I'll have a platinum plaque. But I'll be up in the stars to keep your platinum plaques. I'm representing for the holders all across the globe. Stuffing bags and enjoying the show. I got no time for no haters, man, it's time to go. You should have been getting bags on the low.
BG 123, SEC can stop us. Gonna blow HOP, we flying high, never shy. Keep on, the night's high, coming on. And BG flips the switch, the price moves, it's on. 2, digit 3, digit 4, digit 5, it doesn't matter what we do. When it goes, it's all legit. Madam Real song, train like the stage. Tank time, HOP, world domination. Every coin rally up to all-time high. We hold the L till the day that we die. Still HOP and never faded. Losing Wilson said 20K is life. Cheating by the bottom line, hold tight. HOP will moon cause we always right. What good luck, sun's out so sunny. And I don't give a fuck with what you do with your money.
I'm representing for the holders all across the globe. Stuffing bags and enjoying the show. I got no time for no haters, man, it's time to go. You should have been getting bags on the low. I'm representing for the holders all across the globe. Stuffing bags and enjoying the show. I got no time for no haters, man, it's time to go. You should have been getting bags on the low.
Yo, being say that the brain don't miss the train.
That train is on the way.
Tails, look, I'm still not tripping. Still secure the bag while he's dipping. Still holding strong, not slipping. Accumulating while they innovating. It's really blatant, they trying to test your patience. You sold your bag and just sealed your fate. Trying to buy back on a later date. I got no time to waste. Get them bags on the lake. With the blood, we need date. Selling crypto is a no-no. Better if you hold on versus trickle than a puddle. Right before the flood, there's gonna be bud. Representing for the crypto fam, it's always love. It's XRP to the death of me. Shit coins, hope you rest in peace. I got that standard secret recipe. Backpack, I'm feeling arrogant. Hit the exchange, gotta pick up something elegant. Heaven said development for settlement is buying my new residence. It's evident. Anything else is just irrelevant.
I'm representing for the holders all across the globe. Stuffing bags and enjoying the show. I got no time for no haters, man, it's time to go. You should have been getting bags on the low.
Kung handa ka na sa akin, ika'y sumama. Dalian mo, halika na sapagkat ang tren ay paalis na. Lady E,
ako'y nagbabalik galing sa kalawakan. As you can see, as you see, FPG keep trying to beat me, but only strong hands here, and that's a fact, baby. I still XRP ahead of the game, still winning on my back, stay bulging cause I'm not budging. Choo choo, yeah, I'm riding this tree with my crypto addicts until we all go levitating in the space that will save the human race. Now your heart is pacing, wishing you bought a bag while it's still dipping. I see you're drilling over there while I'm skinny dipping, looking forward for abundant living, envisioning my crypto future with my third optic. I'm no basic, and if you can't see that, then get a LASIK. XRP numero uno, yeah, I still got it.
Representing for the holders all across the globe. Stuffing bags and enjoying the show. I got no time for no haters, man, it's time to go. You should have been getting bags on the low.
XRP still the leader for Confederated futures. SEC all defeated, waves the banner to the bleachers. Rats sipping margaritas, chilling, kissing senoritas. David Schwartz spills tequila on these South Island beaches. Get some cash, fill a bag, bump the bag, man, it's skanky, we just laugh. Faith the man at the wealth we generate. And when it's time, you can't reach it past the sky. Beyond me, that we all rise with the feeling. Masterminded like a genius, that's a sign. You can't defeat it, facts of life. You need a teacher qualified as the cleanest, fastest eye. And it's the cheapest on. Keep your keys and ball it up. Secret seats and all your funds. Instantly and billions. XRP is still the one.
That train is on the way out. That train is on the way out.
Boom, boom, the train has left the station. A forever reservation for vacation, I'll be patient, patient, patient. Never mind the fuck we're facing. The roller coasters, ups and downs, we won't be stopping or be chasing, chasing. And there's no time for replacements. When Ripple beats the SEC, the whole world's gonna watch and see. New monetary policy, flooding with liquidity, interoperability, the Trinity, the Triskel, the XRP, the mission set. When the sun rises, it'll never set. The future is bright for the Phoenix. You'll be living what you're dreaming, and no hard feelings. You had a chance to join the blue crew, had a chance for financial freedom, but it slipped through, and you still do. I'll never tell you what to do, but you know what I'ma do. Buy XRP, still XRP, still XRP.
Representing for the holders all across the globe. Stuffing bags and enjoying the show. I got no time for no haters, man, it's time to go. You should have been getting bags on the low. That train is on the way out. That train is on the way out. That train, that train, that train. No FOMO. No FOMO. No FOMO. No FOMO. I've been stuffing bags. No FOMO. When it dips, I get more stacks. No FOMO. When we blast, no looking back. No FOMO. XRP is where it's at. No FOMO. 'Cause we been stuffing bags. No FOMO. When it dips, I get more stacks. No FOMO. When we blast, no looking back. No FOMO. No FOMO. No FOMO. No FOMO. No FOMO. When we blast, hope no one's there. Watch them rockets shifting gears. See us lift up the piers. Watch us soul, watch us here. We finally made it all in tears. I hope you hold no volunteers. No more flood, no more fear. We're the crypto pioneers. It's a ghost town. I know you ghost now. Watch us float now like a ghost you spoke. Wow. Bags got that bullet sound. Know it's clear now. We just waiting to be crowned. We got zero doubt. No fear of missing out. No FOMO. Never missing out. No FOMO. We got zero doubt. No FOMO. Disappearing in the clouds. No FOMO. No FOMO. I've been stuffing bags. No FOMO.
All right, guys. I don't know if you try to understand what I'm saying. This is APY calculator, and this APY calculator. Yeah, this APY calculator can actually help you calculate if you are on a yield farming. So I'm just checking out this APY calculator. Let's say now you find a coin. The best way to take advantage of DeFi is when you uh, you know stay out of those volatile coins. There are a lot of volatile coins out there, but in DeFi, you can actually be earning good APYs when you are using stable coin. Just like you can see, let's say I have my principal, which is my capital of $1,000. Let's say I have $1,000 and I decide to put that $1,000 into a yield farming system. So what am I going to do? First, I have to go and check what is their APY, the amount of the APY. That is the annual pay yearly. So annual percentage yearly. So with someone with a $1,000 investment, this is what you'll be earning. This is the return. Let's say if 300% return, yearly 300% return, or 200%, you can calculate it from here. Okay, let's say 200. This is what you're going to be earning. Let's say you have $1,000 you don't want to spend. Let's say you don't want to buy any volatile coin, but just want to hold it. You can put it in any yield farm or staking, or you put it into DeFi. So this is your APY. This is your return per minute. This is what the percentage you'll be earning per minute. This is the amount you'll be earning per minute. That is, your money is working for you every minute, every hour. Your money is working for you, and you are earning close to that's 34 cents. You're earning 34 cents every hour. Then daily you must have earned up to $8. You're earning $8 every day, out of your investment, just holding that crypto portfolio. And monthly, you'll be earning $250 monthly, for just holding. It's a very good business for those that want to do it in a large scale, because I say if you have 100K here, that means every month you'll be coming out with that 25K, coming out with the 25K profits. So, and yearly, you'll be expecting a $3,000 percent return, which is the complete 300%. So, you can dabble around this tool. You can dabble around the tool and see what you can find out from it, because it's a very nice one. Okay, you check. Okay, this is the hourly returns estimate. If you want to invest in all this, you can come and check the most lucrative pool where you want to farm. Now you can see this cake, auto and cake. Auto and cake, it will give you 210%, 210% yearly return, of cake and auto. So I think it's not bad. If you like the coin, you can choose from many of these. Now you can see this one is giving about 600%, 603%. So whichever one you want to go with, you can choose. You can calculate your APY. You can calculate your APY and see how much you'll be earning at the end of the year or every day. It's really easy for you to do that. So, like Badger, you can see Badger dig with wrap bitcoins. You can see it dig with wrap bitcoin. It's going to be giving you a yearly return of 213%. So this 213%, you can calculate it with the APY calculator at the top. This APY calculator, you can calculate it with this and put your 213%. Let's say you have $1,000 in that pool. This is what you'll be earning every hour, and daily you'll be earning $5, from that pool. Okay, and also in the monthly, so you'll be earning monthly. So, and for the year, this is what you earn totally for the year. So it's not a bad one. If you are this person that don't want to risk your money in trading volatile coin, you can actually take advantage of DeFi. You can take advantage of DeFi on Compound, on Balancer, Aave, Curve. You can take advantage, you can lend your money out to people, or you can borrow money and, do other trade. So it's very flexible if you know how to uh, parole around DeFi. You're definitely not going to be in lost. There are staking pools where you earn every day or weekly. You earn, I think, about 7% or 3 or so weekly of your investment on Celsius. On Celsius, you can do that on Nexo. You can do that on crypto.com. You can do, these are all platforms that can help you maximize profits, while trading and expecting returns. So most of us, if you're not really trading, you can actually be holding coins, maybe hold USDT, or participating on DeFi while you're still learning other crypto trends. You participate on DeFi by using all those DeFi platforms. Not necessarily that you must buy coins and trade, So crypto is a very interesting space, Iboli, how to manipulate and have your way around it. So guys, the time is 3. Let's see the coin of the day, Luna. Okay, Verge. Okay, let me refresh and see the coin of the day. The TAR token. Oh my God, this token was one of the token I mentioned. So if you are watching me right now, you can long the TAR. I mentioned this coin is in one of the look at the coin here. This is the coin of the day, and it has already done 14% so far. So it's still not a bad entry. So let me get to enter this coin on Binance. Let me see if I can log in on Binance and trade this coin. Let me see if I can log in on Binance. Oh, good. Where's the futures? Derivative, margin, advance. Oh. Okay. Let me come back to okay. Let's look for the TAR. The TAR. The TAR, yeah. Oh my God. It's already up by 15%. I'm still gonna long it. Let's see. Still gonna try longing it. Let's see what will come out of this. Okay. I think it's gonna go up from here. This is the 15-minute chart. Let me see the 1-hour chart. Okay, the 1-hour chart showing. Okay. think this. Let me see the 4 hours chart. Let me see 4 hours chart. Okay, wait. Let me see the 1-day chart. 1-day chart. It shows a bullish sign. Okay. Okay. Shows a bullish sign. I just tried to scope, the previous months, as you can see from here. See, it's forming a W shape. So I understand. So without wasting much of my time, I'm just gonna buy long. Let me say how many X, 20X. What's the I'm gonna use 50X. Sorry, 40X, and confirm. And what I'm just gonna do is that it's not much, 100% at price 15, 115 price. Market limits at 118 or 09. 095. Maybe from there. I think from there, in case the market drops a bit, let me go back to the 15 minutes chart. In case the market drops a bit, or let's see it from the 30 minutes. There's 30 minutes. Let me see the 30 minutes. Okay, this is the 30-minute chart. Okay, in case the market drops a bit, well, I'm confident about this 905. So I'm just gonna buy long and wait for it to activate. So I have order now. I have 2 order open order now. So I was waiting for Bitcoin. Oh, I can see immediately it has entered. You see, there was a dip. You can see immediately it has entered. I wish I could have go down a bit for that, but if I will be liquidated, this is my liquidation point. If I reach 7, if it reaches 7.9, so I don't think it's going to reach 7.9. This is 7.9. This is 7.93. This is 7.93. This is 7.93. If it gets here, I'm going to be liquidated. So I think it's fair enough. Currently the trade has activated. So whenever you want to enter a trade, guys, I want you to take notes, especially on futures. You don't, let's say the price, look at the price. We saw the price at 8,100 plus, but I was like, no, you don't enter with the direct price. You adjust your entry points below, maybe by 5% or by 5% or by 10% or 20%. So you adjust your entry level in case, because there's going to be a sharp dip, because you need to analyze, you need to check your 15 minutes candle first, your 15-minute candles, see if, you can use every other tools. I use my eye. I understand the candles already. That's why I don't really need to use much of the indicators before. I don't need to use most of these indicators before I let me go to trading view. I don't know why the trading view is not uploading. I don't know why it's not uploading. I wanted to use the trading view so that I can use the tools to illustrate some things, but it's not opening. It's only this one, that doesn't have the tools. Okay. So like I was saying, in case you want to enter a trade, you don't necessarily need to enter from the exact spot. You could actually predict that, okay, yes, since it's like this, the market is going sideways. Okay, you take your position from here and wait and see. That's how it is. That's how you make a big kill in the crypto market. Okay, you be patient, you target in the market, especially in futures, you target the market. Whenever you see that the market is coming your way, you set your trap. It's like a trap. You don't just enter and start trading. like that, you got to set traps. You got to set traps. You got to be watching. So I was saying also, I'm going to be going deeper. Yeah. I'm going to be going deeper into other coins. Like I said, I'm going to show us how to use Lunar Crunch. Now you can see the tar. I need some coins. I need some USDT to trade on the tar. So I don't know where XRP is going from here. You know, XRP is trying to form a wedge. Flag, this is a flag. I think maybe it's a blue flag. XRP could pump from here. This is a 1 hour chart. If you check the 1 day chart, you see that XRP is forming a downtrend. So I better put my stop losses, you know, set my stop loss at a lot so that I don't get wrecked. So guys, I'm going to show you now how to set a stop loss. I have some XRP or this ledger here. So I'm gonna get some of it. Is this KuCoin? Trading account. Okay. I have available balance about okay, let's say how many, let me get some, how many USDT do I need? I need some few USDT so that I can use let's say 200. It's 157, around 157. So I need around 157. Confirm from trading to futures. All right. Okay, now I have XRP on futures. So this is the 1 day chart. We on a normal ground, not let me go out of futures. Okay, is this futures? Balance, this is not futures. Excuse me. Trade. Okay, now is inside futures, as you can see, perpetuals, KuCoin futures. You can see it here. So let's not get ourselves confused. This is KuCoin futures. Okay. And we have some coins now inside here, inside our wallet. We've sent some XRP. Okay, guys, give me 2 seconds. Let me grab some water. I'll join you guys in a bit. Make sure to share this link everywhere. And give me a second. I'll be back.
I don't fear cause I'm dodging FUD like a bullet. Oh, how I love diversifying my wallets 24/7, gaining crypto profits. No time for fake profits. I ain't a puppet, flying high in the sky, looking fly in a cockpit. The spirit guides, yeah, I have them. Got healing crystals in my right pocket, gold wallets in my left pocket. Ghost Island where we landed, whole army vanished. Now it's called hunted.
I'm a big ghost, see you later, spaceship racer, big bags like a banker, island sands, beach blazer, all white, yeah, like a ghost, cruising down the coast. I told my mom about the planet, she went crazy. Them crypto ripple drops, would they pay me? Big splashes, getting wavy, big bags, just like Santa. Yo, girl, she wanna date me, she chased me on the daily, stinking interest on the daily. That's music to my ears like green ukuleles. The world full of crazies, my yard full of daisies. My planet got me spacey. They asking if I'm ever coming back, and I said maybe. But right now, I'ma be. I'ma be ghost, see you later, spaceship racer, big bags like a banker, island sands, beach blazer, all white, yeah, like a ghost, cruising down the coast, I'ma be ghost. Let's ride it. Not who you believe. Let's ride it. Not who you believe. After SEC. After SEC. Not who you believe. Not who you believe. When we rock it off, you gon' see. You rock it off, you gon' see. Now who you believe? Now who you believe? Hey, this gon' be the thing. He's gon' take a seat. Now who you believe? That SEC, that SEC, that SEC, that SEC. Yeah, after SEC, I'm getting bags I don't believe. Never will I be deceived. I still got bags in other houses, chimneys. I be out in Bali, I just learned karate. Struts limo like Pilates, got a few new hobbies. TikTok on my wrist, ice like I'm playing hockey. We just jumped off the yacht, yeah, we island shopping. Views like a wallpaper, castle like a skyscraper. I think London ready, my bag's getting heavy. By the time we blast, I'ma have so many. You be getting gems on a steady. They try to shake me out, but I was born ready. Dropping down the price, then I be getting plenty. They want all your bags, and they want all them empty. 10 cents, please go ahead, don't tempt me. I got many bags, V-chains, got the zills. I be feeling stellar, filling up my lumens. Let's ride it. Now who you believe? Let's ride it. Now who you believe? Let's ride it. After SEC. After SEC. Now who you believe? Now who you believe? When we rock it off, you gon' see. When we rock it off, you gon' see. Now who you believe? Now who you believe? Hey, this gon' be the thing. Please go take a seat. Now who you believe? After SEC. After SEC. Yeah, my bag so fat, like a fat so I'ma get a big bag so I can buy a castle. Before they label XRP the standard, we gon' blast off. You gon' be stranded, be deserted, that's a bad call. All them coins you holding, they collapse, that's a bad fall. It was all a show to shake you out to sell your bags off. Now the price exploding in the skies past the Astros. SEC who? I'll see you on the moon. Bring your own bag and bring your own moon suit. Bagman commander, get back's the answer. That's an author when we moon shoot, all them records shattered. I'm a ghost, no ripple shirt, cause I'm low key on.
All right, welcome back, guys. Yeah. Now you can see the market is going live. Going beautiful. I hope you're enjoying the music. I was supposed to be going long on this trade, so I wanted to enter a trade. Skip. I don't know how to do that. So this is futures on KuCoin. This is futures trade on KuCoin. Remember, if you're trading futures, there are a lot of things you need to consider why trading futures, because if you don't consider those things, you definitely go wrong in your trade. And another thing you should also put in mind is that in future trades, when you see profit, you take your profit. Exactly, you take your profit as soon as possible. So I'm going to be showing us now, starting from the timeline, which is this, what we're seeing on the screen here, or this candle. This is the timeline. This is the event that has been occurring in the past few moments, in the past few hours. This each candle represents 15 minutes. So I want us to have this at the back of our mind. Each candle represents 15 minutes because why? Look at the timeline. Look at the timeline. I want you to pay close attention to the timeline. We have a 1 minute timeline and we have a 5 minutes timeline. We have a 15-minute timeline. We have a 1 hour timeline. So we have a 4-hour timeline and also 8 hours timeline, 1 day timeline. But if you want to adjust it to whichever way you want, you can add the 5 minutes, 1 hour, 30 minutes. You can see there is no 30 minutes here. 2 hours timeline, 8 hours, 12 hours. You can customize it according to the way you want, according to how it suits you. You can customize it. So I want us to take pay close attention to these candlesticks. So each candle represents 15 minutes. So as you can see now, this is the next candle. The next candle has formed. This is the next candle now. This is the next 15 minutes. It's either it's going to go up or it's going to go down. So you have to understand the language of candles. Trading futures, you have to understand the language of candles first before you even start thinking of going deeper using indicators, because there are indicators which you can actually use here, which they can predict exactly where the markets could possibly be going to. I'm going to be showing you some of those indicators. But before I go to any of those indicators, I will want to elaborate more on the candlesticks. So, like I said, you have to understand the language of the candles. So, if you understand the language of these candles, you definitely will be able to know how to enter your trades. Definitely, there is no way you make mistake, except the market was too volatile. So I want you to take a close look. Like I said, this is a 15 minutes representative candlestick. Each candle represents 15, 15, 15, 15. So now, this is the past hour. This is the past. Let's say this is the past. This is like the past 10 hours so far. Let's assume this is the past 10 hours so far. So today, what do we see in the market? What have we been experiencing in the market? We've been experiencing a zigzag movement. Okay, so if you are trading between every 15 minutes, you should be able to make profit, knowing that this is how the market is behaving on the 15 minutes candle. Now you can see the market has been going up, up, down, up, down. If you want to calculate how many 15 minutes is in 1 hour, we have about 4 15 minutes, which is 30. 1 hour divided by 15, that is 4. That if you count 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, it represents 1 hour. Another 4 candles represents 1. That's to tell you that in the past hours, this is how the market has been behaving. And you can also, I'm going to go through the indicators. Now you can see in the past hour, this is how the market has been behaving. It is going sideways. The market is going side. It is neither dipping so hard, nor it is moving. You can see higher highs and higher lows. You can see higher highs here. This is higher lows, higher highs. Now you can see a lot of higher highs. This is like a bull flag. So if we now take this candle back, now you can see already on the 15 minutes, we know what is happening. So it's either this next candle is going to be a green or red. But if you observe, it's already a red candle. You can just follow the rhythm and trade within the next 15 to 5 minutes. So let's go back to 5 minutes. If you want to be sure about this, now you can see 5 minutes confirms that it's going down. Now you can see the one candle is showing red. Then the next 5 minutes is showing another red. It confirms that this thing is going down. Now you can see the fifth one, the third one is going red again, which completes it 15 minutes. Let's go back to the 15 minutes. You see that it's still going down further. So what we understand now from this, if you want to be day trading, you could possibly short XRP within that moment and take out just some little profits, whatever you get out of this trade, you go out with it, not necessarily everything. But before you can confirm that, you should be able to see the 1 hour chart, where the 1 hour chart. But the truth there be said is in markets like this, in situations like this, we don't know where the market is going to. You should stay away from trades like this. It's going sideways. We don't know if it's coming down like this, it's coming downwards like this, or it's going to go towards this direction again. But from a confirmation, let's say the 1 day confirmation, if you check the 1 day confirmation, you can see it started to retrace from here. Does that mean there's going to be a correction here before we see another pull up? Does that mean there's going to be a correction here, a massive correction here before we see witness another pull up? So guys, today is going to be a decisive day for XRP this week because if this candle happens to end up red today, that means if it happens to end up red today, that means the next candle could possibly be red. So the 1 day candle already suggests to us, show it to us, as you can see from here, the volume chart that is being overbought. There's too many green. It's being overbought. So you can see green is being overbought, and this overbought signifies that there's going to be a correction. That is this red ones. We definitely would see some red candles popping out for a correction, a possible correction. So one of the most popular tools which I would like to explain is called the MACD. One of the indicator, it's called the MACD. Yes, it. Okay, this is the MACD. So guys, the MACD, it shows you from its charts the very moment you should be going out of the market, when there is an overbuy or when there is an oversell, when there should be a rejection on a price, or when you should be entering any a particular asset. So like as you can see from here, this was a very bullish move. This, let me see, when was this? This was when XRP got to $1.9. This was when XRP got to $1.9. As you can see from here, this MACD line, you can see the moving average, the both of them, the moving exponential, the moving average lines. Okay, these two lines here, it kept going up. It kept going up when this price, when XRP was moving to $1, close to $2. You can see it from the MACD. There was a clear indication that it was still going up. So, and when there was a correction, when it got to the peak, it gave us the indication that this it has gotten to the peak, and the market will reject. So there was a possibility that this long wedge here, this surge here, had to correct, and the MACD has, showed us everything, gave us a clear representative. This is the 1-day chart. Mind you, this is the 1-day chart. If I change it to 8 hours, 4 hours, it's going to bring the MACD for 8 and 4 hours. So this is the 1-day chart. So this is it. That's to tell you, in the 1-day chart, we are just starting this rally. Look at this line here. That's to tell you that XRP is just started. We've been oversold. Look at where the correction after, from this top here, we made a very massive correction down to this bottom. MACD showed us, you can see it from the MACD, and this was a very good buying point. This was a very good buying point for everybody. That was when the SEC mentioned and the price of Ripple dropped drastically. So this was a very good buying point, and since then the market have corrected. The market have corrected, and this was when SEC it dropped down. This was when it dropped down. The market have corrected. So the market have corrected, and we are at this level today. We are at this level today, and it's currently showing us that this is just the beginning of this rally. Can you see this other rally? There's a very huge possibility that from the MACD is still going to rally up on the 1-day chart. So you can see we are just coming out from this mess. This was a mess all this while. So this is the first time seeing it. The light of the day. This is the first time it's in the light of the day. So guys, is going to rally up from the indication of the MACD. 1-day chart is going to rally up. So another tools which you can also use. Now we see that they've been buying. There is a lot of volume. You can see, this is, if you look at these charts closely, not only these two lines that are going up and down, look at these ones, these long lines up and down. You can see this one is showing that they are buying. This long line is showing that it's been, but now look at the selling. This line is just starting. This buying line overbought. The volume, they are increasing volume. The volume they've been gradually buying, accumulating, increasing volume, and now that volume is going to spike up in the price on the market. So let's be prepared. We're going to see a lot of upside on XRP, and you can also use that on other trades. You can also use that on other trade. If you change back to, let's say 4 hours, it's going to give you the chart for 4 hours. As you can see, in the past 4 hours, it's showing us now that there is an overbought in these 4 hours. Now you can see it's forming a downward trend. On the selling parts, it's showing a downward trend. There you can see these two lines. Look at it clearly, guys. I want you to see. Now you can see on this bottom, it's forming a downward trend here. It's forming a downward trend. That's to say, there's a possibility we're going to see a dip, a possible dip. We could see a possible dip, from here. So, but it may not dip as such, because there's a very strong resistance here. That this is just the resistance, but there's a very strong resistance here. That's why the market is going sideways from here. So guys, let's see where the market goes, but I believe that there's going to be some kind of a correction like this. If you watch from this side, the market went a little bit sideways from here and it dipped a bit. Then we now saw this upside. So because if you look from here, the market automatically went up and started crumbling downward. It crumbled down from this side. It didn't go sideways, but from here already is going sideways. if you look the 4 hours chart, it has been going sideways. So it may possibly, correct downward a bit before we see an upswing. So guys, that is it for this side of futures trade. So you can actually use the MACD. Another tool is you can choose from indicator. You can use Bollinger Band, but this is not a technical analysis class. You can go deeper and learn these tools personally, one after the other. Exponential moving average, that is the EMA moving average, RSV, oscillators, relative strength indicators. You can go and learn all these things by yourself. Just, it's not necessarily all of them you will learn. You don't need to learn all of them. What you need to do is learn the most popular ones that the best traders use. Just learn those ones and master it. Maybe 2 or 3 of them or 4 of them. Master that one. Know how it works. Then take advantage of it anytime you want to trade. So basically, and also, okay, this is XRP. This is XRP. If you ask me to short XRP from here now, would that be a bad idea? Shorting XRP from here? Well, I can't short XRP. The only thing I'm going to do is that I could possibly long XRP from this position. Let's say from this position, if it could possibly dip. It could possibly dip from this position down to this level. Let's say 1.2 or 1. Worst case scenario 1.19. Worst case scenario 1.19. Let's give it from here 1.19. So I'm gonna be longing from 1.19 1.18. Let's say 1.18. I'm going to be longing XRP, and I'm also going to be using I'm going to be using 20x. I'm going to be using 20x. Okay, sorry if this is too much for you. I'm going to be using 20x, and I'm not going to go setting any of this. So I'm going to buy long. I'm going to be buying long. Okay. I'm going to be buying long with how many XRP? 50% of my XRP. That's with $100 buck, and it's $100. Then I hit buy long. So I'm gonna buy long costs. Okay, I'm gonna buy long. Confirm my trading password. So now I have an open order. I have an open order to buy XRP. Now I have an open order. I have an open order here. As you can see, I have an open order waiting for me to buy long, and because from all indications I've seen that XRP, if you use the 1-day charts, it's just started. So now you can see my position. I'm buying from this position. You can see my position on the charts. In case, so that's how safe I am. So in case there is any silly drop down, okay, in case there is any silly market volatility, I think I'm in a safe point, in case the market want to start reversing, I'll be able to see what happened. So because I'm not in a rush, I'm not greedy with the trade, so I'm patient. I could wait, but I could still adjust, maybe enter another trade from here, and maybe set at I could still long, maybe from this position here. I could still long maybe from this position, but let's see. I'm gonna wait a bit to watch how the market reacts before I enter another trade. But for educational purpose, I had to enter this trade, but I had to put it on a safer side. So let's watch how it goes. You can see. Okay. That valued 1,500 XRP. Okay. All right. So guys, as you can see, it's pretty easy if you want to trade futures, because you don't have to be greedy. First, you don't have to be greedy. You have to be patient. And you see what I'm doing now? I'm placing my trade, waiting for it, still observing the market. I could come back later and change it. So with this, I have I knew that the market is live. I'm in the market and I'm observant. I know what could happen possibly next. So if this market comes according to my prediction, good for me. I will make a gain, and I will save my gain. But if it doesn't go, fine. I find another alternative. And which alternative do I have again to do? What do I need to do again? It's either I set up trade ahead in the future before it happens. Like I said, I could set an order, place an order here. Maybe it was this level because I'm expecting this. There should be a dip. Let me go back to 4 hours. Let me go back to 4 hours charts. Let me go back to 4 hours, because I'm expecting in the next 4 hours, also before evening, there could be a dip, possible dip, that we see the price drop maybe to this level, then before it picks up again, before it picks going up. Because if you look closely from here, this thing is going sideways. This trade is going sideways, and it's either it's going to go down further or it's going to go up. Maybe it's going to do something like this. It's going to do something like this before it hits up. So guys, that's my prediction. If you like it, you can also try it like that. Also, you can also try the trade like that. So futures is really easy, and if you know how to play along with it. And I'm not afraid to use the whole 20x. I was not afraid to use the whole 20x because my risks, I did a very what would I call it, I did my analysis very well, and I took the risk. This is a very calculated risk, not just going into enter any trade like that. And if this trade should have been field, I would now go back and add stop loss. I will now use stop loss in case, and I will show you if this trade get into profit. I'm going to be showing you how to use a stop loss, to cover up your whatever amount of profit you make. You can cover it up with your stop loss on futures. So I don't have anything to worry about now. I could go to other trades. I can go to other trades and do other trade right now. I'll go and do other trade right now. So, but before we continue, the TAR, where is that coin? The coin should have moon a bit again. Yeah. I want XRP. The TAR network. Coin is still morning. This is the coin of the day. This is the coin of the day. I believe it's going to peak from here. Why is the time morning? Why is this coin going up? What's actually happening? All-time high $15, and it's currently trading at $8. Why is the coin mooning? I don't know, but Lunar Crunch, mentioned it as the coin of the day. The coin of the day on Lunar Crunch. It's the coin of the day on Lunar Crunch. So who is trading it? Interesting, guys. I'm going to be talking about Lunar Crunch, but let me take a short break. But when I'm back, I'm going to go deeper into Lunar Crunch and how you can use this as a wonderful tool for your trading. How to boost your profiting when trading using Lunar Crunch. So guys, I'm coming with you guys. I'm going to be talking a lot today. I don't know how long this video is going to take, but I'm in no particular order. I'm just going to be dishing out what I have for us today.
We still getting gains.
The revolution will be televised right here on Jungle Link.
All the communities out there.
Right here. Don't give up.
All right, I'll catch up with you guys later.
Bullets. Hey guys.
On the chain.
Hey folks, Sam,
Hey, yo, what is up, guys?
This is CKJ.
Mic check 1212. Digital nomad investor.
Rob Cash is on the set. Aggressively average content for you today.
What do we see here? Very interesting.
Okay, here's the deal, Pickle. Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Blockchain backer, bringing you the latest cryptocurrency.
Greetings, good citizens of Cryptopia.
Bitcoin time, like always. XRP Day.
From SPQR Media, where we talk to you about the minefield that sometimes can be in the crypto space.
Hey guys, Kevin K. back with another cryptocurrency update.
The revolution will be televised right here on Jungle Link.
What do you mean, Jungle? Hey. Man, I wish I bought some XRP, man. God damn.
They took your soul, enjoy the show. I'll be space out, ain't no FaceTime. You sold your soul, missed out on the show. I'll be space out, enjoy the space ride. They took your soul, enjoy the show. I'll be space out, ain't no FaceTime. You sold your soul, missed out on the show. I'll be space out, enjoy the space ride. Space out in them spaceships, all it took was patience. I didn't mind waiting, added more bags to my savings. Opportunity at hand, now these bags are high demand. And we shooting past the grand, all that FUD got knocked out. Now they at the witness stand, reminiscing on these days. Loading up another briefcase, days in and days out. We didn't play around, the opportunities don't stay around. Try to shake us out, but guess what now? Now they gotta pay us now. They took your soul, enjoy the show. I'll be space out, ain't no FaceTime. You sold your soul, missed out on the show. I'll be space out, enjoy the space ride. They took your soul, enjoy the show. I'll be space out, Ain't no FaceTime. You sold your soul. Missed out on the show. I'll be space time. Enjoy the space ride. They try to shake us out again, but we not falling for that stuff. They try to shake us out again. Don't want you with them bags, no, 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 no. They don't want you with them bags. Once they flip that switch, it's game over. Hey, welcome to the 1%. I'll see you on the moon. We shooting past the moon. Victory within reach. Modelo's on the beach. Better practice what you preach and hold on for dear life. Through the bad and good times. Big bags we packing. They don't want you in weapons of mass distraction. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the game. It's a big old stage. If you fell off, what a shame. But guess what? If you holding on and you made it to the end, generational wealth. We all getting paid. They took your soul. Enjoy the show. I'll be space time. Ain't no FaceTime. You sold your soul. Missed out on the show. I'll be space time. Enjoy the space ride. They took your soul. Enjoy the show. I'll be space time. Ain't no FaceTime. You sold your soul. Missed out on the show. I'll be space time. Enjoy the space ride. Took your soul. Enjoy the show. I'll be space side. Ain't no FaceTime. You sold your soul. Missed out on the show. I'll be space side. Enjoy the space ride. I don't listen to no false prophets. Too busy getting to them profits. Got my stakes locked in. 1% and they can't stop it. We got plenty options. We got plenty options. I don't listen to no false prophets. Too busy getting to them profits. Got my stakes locked in. 1% and they can't stop it. We got plenty options. We got plenty options. I don't listen to no false prophets. Too busy getting to them profits. Got my stakes locked in. 1% and they can't stop it. We got plenty options. We got plenty. I don't listen to no false prophets. Busy stuffing, filling up my stockings. Hardware wallets in my pocket. Swipe my XRP when I go shopping. Black diamond car, we moon hopping. Big numbers, yeah, we got plenty options. Army strong, SEC want your bags, but they can't stop it. They know what you holding, so they plotting. Burning for them ashes, rise of the phoenix. No more COVID screenings, you crypto dreaming. I don't listen to no false prophets. Too busy getting to them profits. Got my stakes locked in. 1% and they can't stop it. We got plenty options. We got plenty options. Too many false prophets lead you to the slaughter. Disconnect you from the matrix, no longer a part of. Disconnect you from the system, had you all programmed. Just like a TV, they remote control you. Never took a needle, they can't control me. I got my own immune system and I stayed holy. They had you plugged in 9 to 9 and you stayed holy. The path was narrow and I stayed anointed. Don't take no chip inside my mothership. We the new 1% and we running it. It was all a show to shake you out, now they pumping it. When we was buying, they was hushing it. While institutions been up in it. They don't wanna flip the switch until you give up on it. But we that diamond hand strong, we just stuffing it. Brothers knew the plans and you said it was a sham. Now my life a cartoon, flying like Space Jam. We beat the case down, just to shake out. You said crypto was a fad, now our pockets feeling fast. Disconnected from the lab, I don't deal with false prophets. Too busy getting to them bags, stuffing bags. False prophets, too busy getting to them profits. Got my stakes locked in. 1% and they can't stop it. We got plenty options. We got plenty options. I don't listen to no false prophets. Too busy getting to them profits. Got my stakes locked in. 1% and they can't stop it. We got plenty options. We got plenty options. We got plenty options.
Yo, Tails will never sell, pack them bags till they fill. Coin counter in the mill, so I'm about to make a bill for real. Get your bags packed, don't tell them where your stash at. Cold wallet storage on your assets. All time high, we going past that. Watch Ripple hit the NASDAQ. Too excited about this crypto getting laughed at. Staking and baking, they gon' be hating and faking. And after regulating, they gon' have some time for vacation. Have patience, the moon's your final destination. But you'll probably catch me FOMO while these charts be going loco. Talking life changing money, now you know I'm riding solo, no promo. But right now you can get it for the low. Making it cash fast, we'll get the last laugh. 10K, we going past that. So it's HODL is the motto until it's models and bottles. All these likes and follows be like Aristotle going full throttle.
We in the crypto cloud, ride the carousel. I got a crypto tell about a crypto well. I'm in my castle now, swimming in my crypto well. Trading in my cash, living crypto well. I guess you could say I'm a crypto well. I put my bags on my crypto shelf. We all floating in the cloud. We all finally made it out, holding strong without a doubt. After regulation, jaw tip over the glass break. XRP always still moving at a fast pace. Show you how to stuff bags, buy dips, accumulate. Stay ahead of the game, the race in the crypto space. Never folding, keep on holding. We them soldiers, stone hands like a boulder. Always had patience with composure. Tails on the track, we about to roll up. Crypto about to blow up. Better show up with your bags or you getting towed up. Cash getting burned up, and them cryptos got no borders. Bag stuff like a crypto hoarder. Putting in another order. ATM out of order. We in the crypto cloud. Ride the carousel. I got a crypto tell about a crypto well. I'm in my castle now, swimming in my crypto well. Traded in my cash, living crypto well. I guess you could say I'm a crypto well. I put my bags on my crypto shelf. We all floating in the clouds. We all finally made it out, holding strong without a doubt. I'm on my beachfront property. We hit the XRP lottery. Now my Ripple drops watery. I'm on my beachfront sipping. You could have been here tripping. I went all in my chips and I cashed out. Now I'm living. You 9 to 5 in prison. Didn't take heed or listen. Had visionaries vision. Seen a brighter beginning. Never see you listening. We hold on strong now winning. All in the sky ascending. The sky is not the ceiling. The moon fam left the building. We all just did a cleansing. On my beachfront properties, toes in the sand, Corona in my hand. We hit the XRP lottery. Nah, I don't give a damn. Now my Ripple drops watery. You should've just followed and followed me. We on that Ripple wave, on our way, it's insane. Now we made you and Blaine, and now went ghost on the coast. Let's go, Geronimo, under a waterfall. I see a shooting star. I'm blessed, I got it all. Too bad you're not involved. The army we all evolve. My island tropical, my view a pot of gold. 2000 when I sold, happily freed my soul. Don't gotta work no more, I'm probably in the gold. We all just went beast mode, now we in full control. On my beachfront, prostitute toes in the sand, Corona in my.
Yeah, welcome back, guys. I told you that this thing is forming a bearish flag or a bullish, move, because we're going sideways for the past hours, for the past 4 hours, not 4 hours, for the past let's say 12 hours to 20 hours, 12 to 20 hours. We've been going sideways. So I understand that the market could correct a bit before we see this upsurge. And you see exactly where my position is. Let's go back to the chart. You can see it's deeping more. Let's go back. Now, if you are trading on Binance, you could possibly start longing from here. But it still look very dangerous, okay, to long from here, because we still have this heavy flag here. We see now. I told you guys. I told you exactly what I said. I said before this candle started forming, this big red candle started forming, I told us that we will not continue going sideways like this. We have to see something happen. We are still bullish. Don't be afraid. Don't be scared. If you look at the 1-day chart, we are still very much bullish, but we have to adjust a bit, to re-enter the market. While I'm talking to you guys, I think I should just go out of the market still. Let me set my stop loss, because I still have this coin. I'm watching XRP, but it's not going down that bad, but it's going down. So, so it's crazy. On our very own eyes, the market is dropping, and it's dropping really drastically. So let's see if there is any hope of another sideways here before. Maybe. Not sure. No need. But we don't need to panic, okay, guys? We don't need to panic, because the market will recover real good. Now you can see this was the 15 minutes I was trying to explain to you guys that we've been going zigzag. And what do you expect for the next 15 minutes, guys? Remember, I told us that this candle, we are going to be expecting another red wedge, and which just happened on our very own eyes. So, which is happening on our very own eyes. You have to understand these candles, you have to know the relationship between these candles, understand how they function, so that you can take advantage of them. Yeah. These are 15 minute candles. This is what the past 15 minutes, each candle have been, representing on this chart. So it will give you a guideline, where the market could possibly be. Although this market is a very, very, very volatile market. So from the look of things here, you can see it has been going sideways. And I told us, market doesn't just go sideways. It's either forming a bear flag or a bull flag. But this one looks like a bear flag, because we are already at the top. We are already at the very top. Yeah, so what are we supposed to do? Are we supposed to be going up further? No, we have to correct a bit, so as for the next support, to carry us to the next, we'll get the next support to surge, to break through the next level. Okay, guys, now you can see we may still possibly drop down a bit, because you can see we came down to as low as 1.2 2.2 previously. You know, we bounced back really fast, but I think we could possibly, very possibly, we could possibly get to this level. You know, so expect the market to drop down, let's say towards this level, before we now see another spike. Trust me on that. But within the next 2 days. But if it did not happen in the next, if it, did not, it doesn't happen like that, that means from here, we could see the market just going upward. But I strongly believe that the market will correct towards this next support line, could possibly correct towards this next support line. Look at this one. When it hits this price, look at when it hits this price, it now drop. When it hits $1, it now drop down. See, it now dropped down to 91. That is crossing how many lines, how many support lines? From here, this was the resistant line. Yeah, this line resisted it, and it bounced back. It hit this 1, 2, 3 at the middle of the fourth one. It hit 3 lines. So from here now, it has hit this line 1, 2, and this could be the possibly third one is going to hit before, you know. But let's see how the market goes. This market could be very funny, you know. Very good news could pop out, and the price of XRP will just skyrocket. But as we know, we're still in the bull season, so do not give up on your trades. All right. What are sites? Lunar Crunch. A lot of us are very familiar recently with Lunar Crunch, and I'm not surprised because so many people have been getting testimonies about using the signals and indication from Lunar Crunch. 2 days ago, they talked about Phantom. Let me check Phantom. Now you can see this coin is it has been going on. Well, let's check Phantom. They talked about FTM Phantom. Let me see how good Phantom has done. Wow, Phantom has done 18% since it was mentioned here in Lunar Crunch. You know, it was mentioned 2 days ago. I think 2 days ago, yeah. Phantom. So you can actually use this alt ranking, you know, to measure a coin performance versus all other coins that, you know, we actively trade, actively support. Okay, in general, it is a unique measurement that combines altcoins price performance relative to Bitcoin and other social activity indicators across the entire crypto market. A coin can have a high alt rank TM of 1, even in a bear market situation. They can have at least up to 1 or 2. But as you can see, the alt ranking for today, from 1 to Starlink, this is an indication. In case you don't use this alt ranking, you can also use it to know which coin is going to do well. Shiba Inu, Starlink. Let's check Starlink. What's happening in Starlink. Starlink, let me see. Starlink, this is the coin. What's happening on Starlink? Wow, 36%. So guys, do you know you can actually use this alt ranking? Do you know you could actually use this alt ranking? And this is today. This is within today. This alt ranking to know which coin also to trade. Look at Radium. Let's check this Radium. We'll check all these coins with large percentage, how much they've done. Radium. Let's check Radium. You can easily 28%. Radium have done 28%. About 7 days. Wow, interesting.
We soaring, you can't ignore it. We flooring, rockets roaring, red and orange, piercing through the fire in the storm like a thorn. Or we Thor, smashing like a hammer. XRP on my banner. Watch out for them scammers, trying to steal all your glitz and glamour. Cause we holding the standard. Cause we holding the standard. Hey, bank money coming. Keep on holding, don't be scolded, don't be folding, don't be fooling when we booming, feeling bullish, reset BG pull it, rocket as you selling, looking bullish, should've just held the coolest, that was stupid, this that rocket music, making you feel bullish, go ahead and let the bulls in, if you ain't get it, bite the bullet, we going up, we booming. Going up, you take me with you when we blow up. Can you take me with you when we blow up? When we blowin', when we blowin'. Can you take me with you when we blow up? Can you take me with you when we blow up? When we blowin', when we blowin'. I get bags every day. I don't play, I don't got no time for games. Stuffing bags every day, scooping those. Cause I know, we gon' blow out the. My whole squad foolish, only speak the truest. Y'all know how we do it. Rocket ship shooting, moonshot hooping. Ripple dropping, know you scooping. Giving back my cup, overflowing. Like a ghost, it go unnoticed. It's a 3-year delta when we blow. It will melt you 3, 2, 1. I hold the alpha held strong. You a doubter, now we gone. It don't matter, heard the chatter. Now your face melted batter. Now we up, metal bat, swinging batters out the park. Went from light to the dark. Flip the switch in the heart. Get them drops, watch it spark. Taking off, watch it charts on point. Hit the dot, extra mark. It's that art, big bags, holding hard. I get bags every day. I don't play, I don't got no time for games. Stuffing bags every day, scooping those. Cause I know we gon' blow out the ozone and take the throne.
I'm working like a clockwork, stuffing bags non-stop like there is no tomorrow. If ye haven't yet, then you will be in sorrow. Professing my love for crypto in my lingo. Mabuhay sa inyong lahat, kamusta na kayo? Makinig mabuti dahil para rin to sa inyo. Please don't be blinded by the voice in your mind. Aligning, tuning in from within will lead you right. My eyes is on the prize, no need to check it twice. And never will I cry about fiat's demise. Always waking up with love and gratitude. Investing stuff in bags, yup, that's my attitude.
I get bags every day. I don't play, I don't got no time for games. Stuffing bags every day, scooping those. Cause I know we gon' blow out the ozone and take the throne. Too many bags don't mean to flaunt it. Need it out the gauntlet when we launch my supersonic. I told you about it, you ain't want it. You went demonic. To the moon, beyond it, to the infinite, we getting it. fifth gear, we shifting it. Watch as we make history, disintegrate your misery. We up on that missionary. This was told like history, disappear like mystery. Too much hate needs Listerine. You stuck inside them little leagues. Watch your mouth, literally. I'm dropping bombs, sizzling. Whole squad, Byzantine. New world, live your dreams. Waking up, you shivering. We on the moon, whistling. I told you what's gonna happen, and it did this thing. Went from nothing, now we floating like we grow some wings. I get bags every day. I don't play, I don't got no time for games.
Yo, what's up, guys?
Every day, scooping nose. Cause I know we gon' blow out the ozone and take the throne.
Yeah, Lady E ain't no rapper. I'm a crypto poet that's gonna make you prosper. I don't fear monger. I'm brighter.
I hope you're feeling the music.
Only thing I'm gonna conquer. I heard your soul is weak. Don't stay asleep, cause you will be a sheep. Unhealed wounds, wounded dreams got my soul waking. I did some soul searching. Really grateful that I found out about the phoenix rising. XRP dethroning shield coins, that's really epic. I ain't foolish. Always grabbing bull horns with my strong hands. Got my soul bullish. Crypto kings and queens. Keep stuffing.
I get bags every day. I don't play, I don't got no time for games. Stuffing bags every day, scooping nose. Cause I know we gon' blow out the ozone and take the throne. Digital soldiers, crypto taking over, winning battle. Game over, you got played like controller. Spread a virus to control you. Don't tell me how I told you, hold ya. I got plans to load ya. Zombies all over. We on the ripple net. You can send it anywhere, it's gon' get the quick. You can send anything, you can send a check. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, it's already there. We see where we going, so we buying more. All I see is bulls like a matador. Blowing out the roof, blowing out the doors. You heard it when we boom, yeah, you heard the roars. The ripple net effect, cancel all your debt. You hodl to the end, now you cash the check. Dollar cost averaging with no regrets. We went all the way up on the ripple text. Only hold in the grade, it's a nothing less. There's nothing left. Only 1% made, they gon' be the best. Put your hands in the sky, throw up the X. Just that new money now, don't even know the rest. Right to the street, pushing you to the test. The world of turmoil, need to reassess. Push the red button, think we all need a recess. Dirty cops in the street, put one in your chest. How you late to rest, can't even protest. Time to level all the fields, bring out the X. And make it all equal, and get rid of evil. And we as people must wait to sheeple. We on the ripple net. You can send it anywhere, it's gonna get there quick. You can send anything, you can send a check. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, it's already there. We see where we going, so we buying more. All I see is bulls like a matador. Blowing out the roof, blowing out the doors. You heard it when we boom, yeah, you heard the roars. The ripple net in full effect, please enjoy the show. Blasting out the planet, blasting out the dome. At first you ain't heard of us, now we well known. All around the planet, intergalactic. Move that money fast, make it happen. We chopping off heads like a savage. I told you buckle up, cause we blasting. Now we out of this world and we laughing. 589 overnight like it's magic. In the blink of an eye, you watch it happen. You ain't get a bag, now you lacking. The XRP moon fan packing. The phoenix rose up from the ashes. We hit all our targets and we smashed it. In a couple months, we probably be cashless. Cause we running on Ripple Net the fastest. We gassing, we on the Ripple Net. You can send it anywhere, it's gonna get there quick. You can send anything, you can send a check. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, it's already there. We see where we going, so we buy more. All I see is bulls like a matador. Blowing out the roof, blowing out the doors. You heard it when we boom, yeah, you heard the roars.
He's rich. He is rich. What? When I tell you he's got his own money, I mean the boy has got his own money.
XRP, that's the family. In slow motion, we all hit the lottery. Your coin died, you need a battery. Took the #1 spot like a robbery. XRP, that's the family. In slow motion, we all hit the lottery. XRP the bridge to the other side, just like you a bridge of light going inside. You got them insights, can't save all these lives they can't see through the life. Transfer souls late at night. We the ones that came to fight. Get a bag if you right, get a ticket to the flight. Take it off at a time. You done got left behind. Could have been one of a kind. You still in the slave's mind. Tried to wake your third eye. You couldn't see, you still blind. I'm in a different timeline. XRP like 589. We so light, we so high, you didn't see us speeding by. Went so far, we out of sight. I can't tell, open my blinds, dripping in that golden shine. XRP changed my life. XRP, that's the family. In slow motion, we all hit the lottery. Your coin died, you need a battery. Took the #1 spot like a robbery. Hey, on my back stripping, got the big ticket. Why you keep tripping? I just keep getting. About to complete the mission. XRP my religion. I'm in the different district, and you are my witness. Came to give you my blessings. This a new Christmas. Open up your presents. You got shiny legends filled with new treasures. The stone passed us by, but we the ones that weathered all the way to the end. When they pushed the lever, went up so high they couldn't even measure. So enjoy your pleasures. We the XRP collectors, time for new adventures. There's nothing we can't do alone that we can't do together. And that L represents the one world ledger, the greatest coin ever created. That's that new standard. So don't get left and transferred. You didn't get the rapture. You got cloned and captured. This world you couldn't master, but this a new world, so it don't matter. Cause we the new captains, and we gon' make it happen. Counting coins, laughing in a new mansion. I gave away a mansion. Plans within plans, time for action. That's the family. In slow motion, we all hit the lottery. Your one died, you need a battery. Took the #1 spot like a robbery.
211s, we are woke, still reserve, call me Pope. Blessings, all these blessings, while I'm slapped with the hope. Praying hands, kung fu hustle flow. Any, mini, money, mo. We are here to let you know. Useless cases don't go to the moon. You, oh no, you will stay. No joke, I don't mean to laugh anyway. Did you do your own research? Teacher, teacher, teacher. Hey, Mr. Preacher, here comes a new feature. We will validate credentials, get the picture. To all my P2Ps, we're all special creatures. No to no, no to no, knowledge is the power. Sour lips we try to devour, let it rain with the tech. I'm an info specialist, stat at bat. These words I do press, dancing with my feet. I have one arm flexed, tapping to the beat with the crypto's two front teeth.
XRP, that's the family. In slow motion, we all hit the lottery. You need a battery. Took the #1 spot like a robbery.
Hey, it's Jet again, jettison. Anything without the evidence, it's evident we're all part of the dance. Never again, pay the rent, the den, digi friends. XRP with the win, it's going down with the pins. X marks the spot, ripple me the drop. Perfection with these thoughts, my portfolio is unlocked. With slow motion, make the clock, Michael Jordan hoarding, we afforded, so we took a shot, then we took a step back, tested all the facts, never relaxed, move the FUD to the back, so we stack, now we hella back with the bone, corridors home in the Thames, fam, waters in the dam, no sham, wow, we're with the now, you waited, sayonara, ciao.
See ya. 84, no go bad. Yeah, it's 4 no go bad because
that back. I mean, how many zero you got like that? You count the other zero.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8, 7.
I did now.
5, 5. Okay. Then you
see
go
what's
the
going
price.
on. That crypto taking over.
Yes, because you put at this price now, if you put at this, it will trigger automatically.
I be that bag man, stepping in like bags man.
If the price now, if you want me to come out, you have 0.1.
In your face, you throwing up that X gang, we throw it up. That
see that 5 cents already.
hit the
See this one says, you don't even drop stuff.
like Florida.
You automatically don't come from
We hold the one, heating up like Vegas on that rocket ship. Only headed up in your face. What got shredded up in that rocket ship? Only headed up in your face.
Automatically don't come from
shredded
market.
up. You see what's going on.
That's the 82.
Crypto taking over. Can you
8,
see what's going on?
8.
For cash game over. Can you see what's going on?
That crypto
taking over. Can you see what's going on? For cash game over. Game over. We win. You lose. No bag. No boom. No. Just tunes. I told you it was coming soon. I had hella songs. Had hella tunes. That we on the news. And you hella snooze. And you missed out. We held strong and we stayed true. That's what we do. That moon crew. Buckle up with your moon boots. We growing up like boom. I see you on that moon soon. Better get a bag or you
But the next 3 months, see, I climb with the climb.
cash. Better jump off that choo-choo. Cause crypto that new. You see what's going on.
No, nobody by say face down.
Can you see what's going on? For cash is game over.
See the past 7 days.
You
think they show the bullies. Now it just retrace. It will go back again. I've been seeing the thing all the time retrace.
Even it, I don't trade my it too. Couple I say they go down.
See 1 month until they go up.
See 3 months. At the top of now. Because when they see, like I said, they buy again now.
No sell, just see the thing, it will go back. Just lower session 8, just okay, put 8, 7, lower for 8, 5, 8, 5, abi. Then quantity all abi. Buy, now buy your buy, be sell.
Welcome to the party, we don't play round here. Moon suit on her, you get sprayed round here. Watch where you walking, you get 8 out here. Wolves in them shirts like a buffet out here. Whole blue crew and we gon' rage out here. Boats in the sky, we gon' sail round here. We ain't never coming back, way out the atmosphere. Moon suit on, we gon' blast off here. You ain't get a bag. That's your damn fault, dear. When that rocket ship blasts, watch the whole sky clear. And you stuck on the ground, probably all in tears. You ain't moved no money, cause you all in fear. Moon dance with me. All I hear is cheers, bottles popping off. All I see is cheers. You stuck in the headlight like a lost there. Watch the rocket ship lift, and we all disappear. Welcome to the party.
Or in case it will go up again, you can go cancel and adjust and go up.
Hey, this a moon party. Hey, welcome to the party.
Save your profits.
Welcome to the party.
If the thing go up where you adjust your stop loss again, go up again, so that you go secure. And in case it go up, drop, go below that, you go come up from money, you go gain
On
profits.
the moon right now, it's a party going down. Throwing bags in the space, I hope you catch them on the ground. I know you hear us. I know you hear us right now. I know you hear us.
I know you hear them drum sounds. Partying till the sun come back around. Then we blast off to a new party town. Astronaut suit, put your party.
All right, guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Sorry I took so long. I know a lot of us are enjoying the music. Definitely, if you're not enjoying the music, you won't be tuned on till this very time. Oh, guys. Yeah, as you can see, our market, we're patiently waiting for the markets to go according to how I predicted. So I'm not in a rush. I'm not in a hurry. I'm just gonna be here watching my trade throughout the whole day. There is 24/7 light. I'm gonna plug my laptop. So guys, I'm expecting my trade to hit this level. Okay, I'm expecting this level. Uh, uh, XRP to drop a little bit down to this level, so that I can long from here. Okay. So maybe that could be a good entry, maybe that could be a bad entry. But since we saw this coming, we could have shot XRP from here because it would have been a good shorting point. But I was looking at the upside, the positive side of things. So remember, if you are thinking in one direction, in the opposite direction, the wave is coming from there. So that is how future trade work. You have to be thinking from two sides. You have to be thinking from the buying long side and from the buying short side. That is, you could possibly having two accounts. Yeah, in scenarios like this, which I saw that, okay, there could be possibly something, there could be a correction here because we are seeing a party around here, a sideways party. The market was going sideways and it will not continue going sideways. It's either it's going to go sideways and poof, continue going up, or go sideways and poof, have a correction. But in this case, the market, was looking, already up, was pointing forward. So I was expecting it to retrace just like this one here. So I used this one to evaluate my trade, my entry point. This was my entry point. This was why I entered this trade. But on the other hand, like I said, you need to be thinking from two sides, two perspectives as a good trader. This trade is very safe for me because I am patiently waiting for it to drop to this level for me. I'm waiting for, if it did not happen to how it goes for me, then I will change trade. I may have to add another trade, maybe closer, another order. You get. But at the other hand, if you actually want to make good money trading, you could or you should have two accounts. On scenarios like this, you should have two trading accounts on scenarios like this. When you see things like this, you are thinking whether you want to long or you want to short. Now, possibly, I am going to short this account. I am going to short it, from this candle. I was supposed to short from this first candle because I already saw the indication. I was going to short from here, but I was going to lay my short position maybe a bit higher, maybe in case the price goes up a bit. That was how I was going to gamble it, or I was going to play my game, but I was going to enter my position from somewhere here, somewhere this level. You get from this level, let's say from this level a bit higher, and then it may hit and start retracing back for the next candle. So guys, I want us to understand, it may hit and start retracing back for the next candle. That is on the second account. That should have been my second thought. So whenever you see a trade like this, make sure you understand your chart first, the 1 hour chart, the 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute. Now you can see the 1 minute chart. Let's go to the 1 minute chart. The 1 minute chart will start doing that thing that the 15-minute chart that is happening here. That was happening here. Can you see? It will start having a party. The 1 minute chart will start having a party before there will be another dip, possibly another dip. The 1 minute chart will go on for like this, maybe for like this. Now look at it for the past how many minutes. It may go on for like this sarcastically before it goes down again. Can you see? Can you see? Before it drops down again. So let's expect to see a bit of that in the correction of this market. So let's check the 5 minutes market, okay? And remember, if you are looking at the MACD, this is the 1 minute MACD. Let's go to the 5 minutes chart and also the 5 minute MACD. Okay, this is where my trade is. This is where I'm expecting the price to touch if you are using 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm still expecting it to drop. If you're looking from the MACD, look closely. Let's compare it to this previous dip. You know, you saw that it went a bit further. It went down a bit further before you know, it touched a bit down. So we might still see this I don't know, go further a little, but it might still also pick from here. If you add another indicator might be showing you this is a good buying position. This is a good buying point. Another might be showing you, no, it's not a good entry zone. But from the MACD, I'm still saying it's still going to sell because oversold. Before we see an oversold, before there's going to be a good buy, there should be a good sell. They're going to sell a lot. So using the MACD is a very interesting tool, you know. So, but remember that very edge, when it gets to this level, remember there are two things involved. It's either you are longing from here because it is already showing a buy long. It is already showing a long signal, because you can see it's pointing to the down from this sharp ends. Remember, any sharp ends, from that sharp end, they start witnessing an uptrend using the MACD. So you can see we are expecting to see an uptrend in the 5 minutes charts. You can look, let me see, if I zoom it closely, you see that now it's forming a party, another party here. It's forming another party here that is going sideways, as I predicted with the 1 minute chart, that it could possibly be going sideways like this for the next few minutes before it takes the next decision. That is how price work. You know, price, sentiment, analysis, all these things, they happen. If you know what's happening in the market, you are attuned with the crypto space. You are attuned with the information that is going on with a particular asset you are holding. Like I said last night, you don't need to know what is going to happen in 1 year or so. You only need to know what is going to happen in the next few hours, in the next day, in the next 3 days, 7 days, 1 month in trading for it to be profitable. So from what all indication now you can see it's reversing. Like I said, it's reversing. This is the 5 minutes chart, just as it has portrayed from here previously. With this alone indication, you can long. It's reversing for the 5 minutes. So in case any profit you get from this trade, any little profit you get from this trade, I'd like to try long using a very small leverage position. I'm not going to use limits. One thing about KuCoin is that you're definitely going to use the limit. buy long. I'm gonna 25. Okay. 20. Why is it not so right then? Oh my god. Okay. Oh, I have total assets. Available balance. Oh. One thing about KuCoin is that you something about KuCoin is that they don't have market price for they don't have a market price. They don't have a market price for futures. It's either you're using limits or stop limits or any of the above. So on the 1 minute chart, is showing us, this thing is oh, my own app not executed yet. I'm a very careful person. I'm a very careful person. See, even as close as it is, I was still careful, and I I was still careful and still lowered my risk. I didn't just enter immediately. So, but I was expecting it to still drop down a bit, So that's how I think sometimes in the market, but I don't like that order. I'm gonna cancel it. I'm just gonna cancel it, and I'm just gonna cancel it. I'm just gonna cancel it. So that's crazy, yo. Choose this 15. Okay, this one. I'm gonna allow this one. Wait. Well, but for the other one, I'm just gonna leave it there. So sorry, guys. 5 minutes. I still have a trade, mind you. I still have a trade I'm waiting for, so I'm just gonna excitedly jump into a trade because I want to prove a point. That's how you lose money. So features is really cool, depending on the platform you're using. If you're using Binance, if you're using KuCoin, but me, I prefer KuCoin because Binance now they are having some kind of regulations on their website. So let's go back to Luna Crunch. Let's go back to Luna Crunch. I was talking about something in Luna Crunch. Alt ranking. So you can see the alt ranking have changed. Remember the other time we saw some strange coins. Where are they? We saw some strange coins. Yeah. We saw some strange coins. We saw Shiba Inu. There's this coin I opened, the Radium. You can see it. We saw Radium, and we cannot find them again. They have moved. They have changed. So that's how you can come and get coin. It happens at any time. Or alt ranking, you see the best coins that are performing very well now at that time. Let's see Rarible. It's at 8. It's going up at 8%. It's very good. Look for Rari. Let's see. Raribu. Okay. Raribu. Raribu. Oh my God, it's up by 30% already. Already experiencing a bull season. Like, you know, this is the bull season 2.0, and it's gonna go a long way. We're back to the 2 trillion market cap, the 2 trillion market cap. So that's tell you guys that we are moving really, really fast. We're catching up really fast. And this is huge, guys, because from here, we just going to be seeing another trillions of dollars pumping into the markets, 3, 4, 5. And that's how these altcoins will pump. Remember, guys, we had a Bitcoin halving. There was a Bitcoin halving, and this Bitcoin halving has upset a lot. That is, there's scarcity of Bitcoin in the markets, and all these people, if you go through CoinMarketCap and you check Bitcoin analysis, on-chain analysis. If you check Bitcoin on-chain analysis, on-chain and off-chain analysis, you see that people that's holding, the concentration of people holding Bitcoin for a long time, it has increased for over 1 year. Okay, for over 1 year. Okay, let's start from here. Holders making money at current price. Okay, about 84% of all people holding Bitcoin are in profits. You know, about 5% are just neutral. 11% are out of profits. Those are the ones. They are the bears. So concentration by large holders 11. Okay, concentration. This one is just neutral. Okay, holders composition by time held. So you can see over 59% of the entire market, the Bitcoin market, have been holding Bitcoin for the past 1 year. 1 year, they have not sold. Large amount of Bitcoin they're holding for 1 year. Look, over 50, that is 59% of Bitcoin are being held, are being locked, are being kept secret. 59% people are holding, they don't want to trade it. This is the rest. The rest is just this what's in the market. So I just want you to know what we are expecting. The next bull run is going to be massive, because when people are just here dragging this little Bitcoin out here, the price of crypto will surge. The price of crypto will surge. As you can see, the signal is showing here that Bitcoin is bearish. It's signaling that Bitcoin is bearish, and whenever there is a signal of bearish, we are seeing a bull. You know, this is bullish. This is bullish because for a while now, Bitcoin haven't gotten to this level. It's like a miracle for Bitcoin to be at this level like this. And now this thing is showing us is bearish. So what does that mean? And zero bullish. And what does that mean? This is a pure indication that Bitcoin is so damn bullish. You know, when the market is red, when it's down, that's when the whales are coming in. So this is a very good indication. It's showing us bearish. The market is showing us bearish, but before we see any bull move, possibly there will be a pullback. That's why there is this bearish move. And I'm not surprised on this XRP move here. This whatever that is trying to happen here, I'm not surprised. So I'm expecting it for it to touch down to this level. So at least to this level. Touch down to this level at least. So really interesting.
Okay, for waiting for order the food.
No, let me order the food.
From what?
Online.
Which platform?
I look for their number, call them. Sorry about that interruption, guys. Sorry about that. So we're back. All right, if you're here live on these chats, just make a comment. Okay, if you're still live with us, say something on the chat box. Let me know. Let me see who is watching. I know 2 or 3 persons is watching right now. Let me know what you think about XRP in the coming days, in the coming months. What do you think about the alt market? Tell me which coins you're investing in. What coins you have in your portfolio? And which one would you like us to check? All right, guys.
We about to boom like a bomb. I hope you got a bag. Tell a friend, tell your mom. You're running out of clock. Up and away. Bye, bye, we all gone. We hold the gold. And when we blow, ain't no told you so's. I'm a big ghost. I'm a big ghost. We renegade, we hold the change. The Phoenix gonna ring, can't change our ways to the end of days. What's up, dog? XRP, get ready for a world currency. You got them hitting on us while Ripple's breaking those boundaries. Just like XRP while we are waiting for clarity. 50, plus Uno, but you thought that was a parody? Huh? Nobody knows really who the man behind Doggo is. No, but that doesn't matter, because soon we'll rock the gold Swiss. Toneface acting mad, thinking that XRP is a scam. Get down on your knees, boy, to the new 1%. We've been saying this for years, but you don't listen. Do some research, little boy, and get out of your vision. Banks are hit and stay, but you think they will disappear? Bitcoin will vanish away just like your hair, dear. When you miss XRP's boat, you will drop bones. Even the lights on your bald head is already homeless. The Phoenix rising in ashes, XRP will be like a virus to the motherfucking masses. Donald Trump on board, Steve Mnuchin on board, Xi Jinping on board, Putin on board, Modi on board. The whole world is on board. What are you doing? You probably listen to this music and you're like, damn, I missed this opportunity. And when we blow, ain't no told you so. I'm a big ghost. I'm a big ghost. We renegades, we hold the change. The Phoenix gonna ring, can't change our ways to the end of days. To the end of days. They ignore you, then they laugh at you. Then they will fight you, and then you win. I told you all. They ignore you, and then they laugh at you. And then they fight you, and then you win. I don't don't feel no pain. We getting big gains. All aboard the wealth plane. We making it rain. We made it through the rain. It's a mind state. All aboard the plane. Flying through the rain. I hope you got a ticket. If you didn't, don't complain. Cause we on our way. It's a big parade. Hoping you escape. Hope you don't miss the train. That's the last one that's headed this way. You better ride the wave before it's too late. It's closing right now, and that's the last gate. I bet you if you miss it, you gon' be irate. I don't feel no pain. We getting big gains. All aboard the wealth plane. We making it rain. We made it through the rain. It's a mind state. We getting big gains. I don't feel no pain. Turn it up all the way. We getting big gains. Taking off. Bet you wish you had wings. I bet you wish you had wings. I know you heard the windmill. I know you heard the ding. Yeah, I know you heard the ding. Now we all in heaven. Listen in the dove sing. Listen in the dove sing. The phoenix rose up from the ashes, did his thing. Yeah, you know it did his thing. I don't feel no pain. We getting big gains. All aboard the wealth plane. We making it rain. We made it through the rain. It's a mind state. We getting big gains. I don't feel no pain. Turn it up all the way. We getting big gains. Oh, money that I want you in. Too bad cause I'm getting bags. You crying and I'm buying. Getting bags like rob cash. That old money that I want you in. Too bad cause I'm getting bags. You crying and I'm buying. Getting bags like rob cash. I turned in all my change. All my bags on flames. We gon' change the game. I'ma change my name. You can call me that bag man. Getting bags, man. You can call me that bag man. Getting bags, man. What's inside your wallet? I've been getting profits. This crypto game got it locked in. You crying and I'm buying. Getting bags like Rob Cash. That old money that'll want you in. That's too bad cause I'm getting bags. Not proof of work cause that won't last. It was first, now it's last. We took over, how was that? Now we laugh, we told you so. But you radio spinning old tunes. That Bitcoin, that's old news. They printing cash and I'm printing bags. Turn a stimulus to a bag. Turn a low cap to a new pad. That old money that I want you in. Too bad cause I'm getting bags. You crying and I'm buying. Getting bags like Rob Cash. That old money that I want you in. Too bad cause I'm getting bags. You crying and I'm buying. Getting bags like Rob Cash. SEC, drop my bags, but I bought more, got more stacks, so thank you. Also dropped my average buy from like 50 cents to 24. Now we partying on top floors, rocket ships, all floors. I'm a king now like Solomon. When you hear about that XRP, you just follow them. We knew what was going down, my whole crew, we space bound. Flying through, we got the space route. Headed to a new space town, he got melted off, he went face down. Big bags like Scrooge McDuck, hit the lottery like mega bucks. I turned in all my change, all my bags on flames. We gon' change the game, I'ma change my name. You can call me that bag man, getting bags, man. You can call me that bag man, getting bags, man. I don't hear no haters, I'ma see you later. You didn't get a bag cause you was just a trader. Rockets taking off, you didn't have time, ain't no wait up. You can see us way up. Let's ride it. Now who you believe? Let's ride it. Now who you believe? After SEC. After SEC. Now who you believe? we rock it off, you gon' see. When we rock it off, you gon' see. Now who you believe? Now who you believe? This gon' be the theme. Please go take a seat. Now who you believe? That SEC, that SEC, that SEC, yeah. After SEC, I'm getting bags I don't believe. Never will I be deceived. I still got bags in other houses, chimneys. I be out in Bali, I just learned karate. Stretch limo like Pilates, got a few new hobbies. TikTok on my wrist, ice like I'm playing hockey. We just jumped off the yacht, yeah, we island shopping. Views like a wallpaper, castle like a skyscraper. I think London ready, my bag's getting heavy. By the time we blast, I'ma have so many. You be getting gems on a steady. They try to shake me out, but I was born ready. Dropping down the price, then I be getting plenty. They want all your bags and they want all of them empty. 10 cents, please go ahead, don't tempt me. I got many bags, V-chains, got the zills. I be feeling stellar, filling up my lumens. Let's ride it. Now who you believe? Let's ride it. Now who you believe? Let's ride it. After SEC. After SEC. Now who you believe? Now who you believe? When we rock it off, you gon' see. When we rock it off, you gon' see. Now who you believe? Now who you believe? It's gon' be the theme. Please go take a seat. Now who you believe? After SEC. After SEC. Yeah, my back so fat, like a fat zone. I'ma get a big bag so I can buy a castle. Before they label XRP the standard, we gon' blast off. You gon' be stranded, be deserted, that's a bad call. All them coins you holding, they collapse, that's a bad fall. It was all a show to shake you out to sell your bags off. Now the price exploded in the skies past the Astros. SEC, who? I'll see you on the moon. Bring your own bag and bring your own moon suit. Bagman commander, get back's the answer. Pass an offer when we moon shoot on them record shattered. I'm a ghost, no ripple shirt, cause I'm low-key on Saturn. Went from looking at them patterns, now I'm getting drops. Transfer, now I'm staking on them networks. Getting ILP drops. Let me take you higher. Let me take you high up. Let me take you past the sky in that rocket, we fly up. Let's ride it. Now who you believe? Let's ride it. Now who you believe? Let's ride it. After SEC. After SEC. Now who you believe? Now who you believe? When we rock it off, you gon' see. When we rock it off, you gon' see. Now who you believe? Moon Commander, Moon Captain, Moon Admiral, Commander Moon, Moon Commander Bags, Bagman the Moon Commander. Told you we was going, you ain't wanna hear me. I told you about the one, I know you heard it clearly. Now we go away, signing off sincerely. Headed to them gates and them white pearlies. You ain't heard the birdie, you ain't get it early. We see that rocket blasting, who you think stirring? I see you on the ground, all I hear is cheering. But your face melted off, all I see is sneering.
Stay strong and hold on. XRP is global. Bank money's FOMO. No stroke, go strong. Living like a mogul. Solo, that's a no-no. Yo, bro, if you're dolo. XRP the vocal. Welcome to the future. We stone like Medusa. XRP got used, bro. It's used to move the internet of value. We in it now, so how you gonna doubt the standard? Moving money faster. Tsunami like disaster. Better get your passport and make sure all your bags packed. Crashing all your NASDAQs. Banks got all his bags stacked. We in that new tax bracket. All time high, we passed that. XRP gon' smash that.
I told you we was going, you ain't wanna hear me. I told you about the one, I know you heard it clearly. Now we go away, signing off sincerely. Headed to the gates in them white pearlies. You ain't heard the birdie, you ain't get it early. You see that rocket blasting, who you think stirring? I see you on the ground, all I hear is cheering. But your face melted off, all I see is smearing. No time to waste, just get our bags up. Trying to get them stacked, get them racks up. Talking all that bud, that's gonna get you waxed up. Talking all that smack, that's gonna get you smacked up. Big bags, little bags, make it happen. Don't shy, yeah, we ready for the action. Your face melted off, look at your reaction. In the rocket now, and yeah, we blasting. Headed to the bank, and we all laughing. Got a full vault full of all of them alts. Take a nose dive, but we going down a slide. Please buckle up and please enjoy the ride. This a high rise going 5, 8, 9. Please hold on tight, losing minds, oh my. We all going crazy, waving bye, bye, bye. High in the sky, rise like a high tide. Sipping my tie, shining in the moonlight. You ain't heard the birdie, you ain't get it early. See that rocket blasting, who you think stirring? I see you on the ground, all I hear is cheering. But your face melted off, all I see is smearing. We all going crazy, that crypto jumping. XRP the standard, we keep on pumping. XRP the bag, man, that's what we bumping. Only 1% made it out, the rest keep dumping. We all use the mind, law of attraction, now it's 5, 8, 9. We all lose our mind, we hit the gold mine, took the #1 spot, then we stole all the shine. Now the haters back in line, put the sell order like 5, 8, 9. You could've got it cheaper, had plenty of time. You could've had thousands for pennies on the dimes. My bag's been stuffed, get away, these are mine. The Phoenix took us high, I tried to be nice, we one of a kind. I told you to buy the greatest of all time. You said it was lies, that fuck that you was talking made you miss out the prize. Now you left behind trying to chase the high price. I'm glad you still alive to see how far we rise. Into the night skies, grab the bull by the horns and live out your life. Bullrun. We all going crazy, that crypto jumping. XRP the standard, we keep on pumping. XRP the bag, man, that's what we bumping. Only 1% made it out, the rest keep dumping. We said it would happen, now don't look surprised. We could've got a big piece of the pie. And please don't be Billy and miss out on the millies and dump all your bags. That was so silly. You bought pizza with it, you got to be kidding. You could've made the killing with the fam, we all winning. On top of the game, does that hurt your feelings? Most of the competition all gone, yeah, we killed them. We into them big numbers like quadrillion, unlocking trillions, saving like billions. The new
new gold standard, the new commanders, the new moon dancers. Your coin got canceled. Ripple net ample, move that money, no hassle. I'm in BG's castle, sipping a new castle. We all won the raffle, early to the party, but when we blast off, please don't be baffled. We all going crazy, that crypto jumping. XRP the standard, we keep on pumping. We all going crazy, that crypto jumping. XRP the standard, we keep on pumping. We all going crazy, that crypto jumping. XRP the standard, we keep on pumping. We so rich now, they gon' hate us. It don't matter though, cause we are the greatest. Rocket ship, spaceship out the equator. All you had to do was get a bag, it could've saved you. Can't shake this, stuffing bags, been patient. Bagman staking, bagman waiting. I got other coins, I diversified. Watch when them rockets burst and fly. Watch when them weekends hurt and die. My moon bags, they all monified. Shout out to Bearable Guy. They flipped the switch, it went dark to light. When that fire seeped in, I bet it burned your eyes. Like 1, 2, 3, open up your eyes. While you look surprised, rockets in the sky. And them haters blind, they all left behind. Sad to your fam, they didn't make the climb. They had on the bags, they didn't make the rise. They acted like they had it, snakes in the skies. Now watch when we escape in the sky. We so rich now, they gon' hate us. It don't matter though, cause we are the greatest. Rocket ship, spaceship out the equator. All you had to do was get a bag, it could've saved you. We just ran up, them bulls is raging. Now my lifetime of vacation. I tried to save you out translation, but you don't speak none of my language. I gave you a ticket to the station, you wasn't waiting, you had no patience. We passed by, we was waving. I tried to save them, but they drowned. Now all I hear is rocket sounds. Lift up, yup, up off the ground. We headed up, they held us down. We just getting started the first round. They can't keep up, so they tapped out. This is what we've been about. I hope you see us in the clouds. I hope you see us with our crowns. We so rich now, they gon' hate us. It don't matter though, cause we are the greatest. Rocket ship, spaceship out the equator. All you had to do was get a bag, it could've saved ya.
Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Start.
Ladies and gentlemen, broadcasting live from the moon, we have just touched down the XRP rocket ship, and I'd like to present to you all, Down on Earth, Moon Music Volume 3 by XRP Bags, and he'd like to send a message to stay bullish out there, and enjoy the show.
Oh, well, you're good at 1 minute. Downrange 1 mile, altitude 3, 4 miles now.
I'm on my beachfront property. We hit the XRP.
sipping. You could have been here tripping. I went all in my chips in. I cashed out, now I'm living. You 9 to 5 in prison. Didn't take heed or listen. Had visionaries vision. Seen a brighter beginning. Never seeing this ending. We hold on strong, now winning. All in the sky ascending. The sky is not the ceiling. The moon fam left the building. We all just did a cleansing. Mama beach from poverty. Toes in the sand. Corona in my hand. The XRP lottery. Nah, I don't give a damn. I'm a ripple drops watering. You should have just followed and followed me. We on that ripple wave, on our way, it's insane. Now we made you and Blaine, and I went ghost on the coast. Let's go, Geronimo, under a waterfall. I see a shooting star. I'm blessed, I got it all. Too bad you're not involved. The army all evolved. My island tropical. My view a pot of gold. 2000 when I sold. Happily freed my soul. Don't gotta work no more. I'm probably in the gold. We all just went beast mode. Now we in full control. My beach from Constantine. Toes in the sand. Corona in my hand. We in the XRP lottery. Now I don't give a damn. I'm a ripple drops watering. You should have just followed and followed me. And when we blow, ain't no told you so's. I'm a big ghost. I'm a big ghost. We hold the gold. I be super bullish like the barrel gold. My lifeboat full, ready for the big boom. Astronaut suit, headed for the moon. With my whole gang crew, had the 2020 vision, yeah we all knew. Now we pulling up in something brand new. New house on the avenue, beach house and cabin too. Normally I don't flex, but I had to go all out. You said it couldn't happen, now we floating through the clouds. You see us popping off, you be like, holy cow. I missed the showdown, ain't no getting in now. Shooting past the moon plow. Welcome all the kings and the queens to the new town. And we all loud, party last all year round. XRP hold us down, and we got the new crown. So you bow down, we hold the gold. And when we blow, ain't no told you so's. I'm a big ghost. I'm a big ghost. We renegade, we hold the change. The phoenix gonna break and change our ways to the end of days. To the end of days. Chillin' on a boat with a rum and coke. Or I be on an island, shining like a diamond. XRP got extras, cruising in a Tesla. I told you like professors, it's chess, not checkers. You folded under pressure, but pressure make diamonds. Now you see me flying, and Bitcoin dying. You didn't hear the siren, we taking off, we skying. I got more, I'm buying. I'm talking about that tiger, I'm talking about that lion. That XRP giant, you didn't buy, you crying. I'm sorry, no, I'm lying. Facts full, no denying. Facts full, no denying. We hold the gold, and when we blow, ain't no told you so's. I'm a big ghost. I'm a big ghost. We renegade, we hold the change. The phoenix gonna reign, can't change our ways. To the end of days. To the end of days.
I'm spending my fiat on bags, they holding the fear that's sad. I'm not gonna take it a chance. I'm chilling, got me down in hands. Yeah, fuck all the haters, they mad. Cause it's your coin winning a crash to the moon. Next up your bags, the bigger the bag, the bigger the splash. You buy all the ups, I buy all the downs. Sold your whole bag, now you feel like a clown. I only stand up, I never stand down. I take a look around, now jealous of me now. Got the right to practice, thought I was a joke. Joke's on you, we just left you in the smoke. Rocket shit, this is how it fucking goes. Me and short music, me and bags, big ghost. XPV chain, got it on me. Didn't stuff your bags, that's why you hating. Didn't stuff your bags, little bitch, you basic. You sold too early, paper handshakes. Spread blood in the comments, alright, I won't say shit. Trying to get it back, all you really do is chase it. Ledger around my neck, worth more than a spaceship. Back man, what's up, why they all hating?
Reporting for duty, rockers be boosting so much wealth. I need me a shooter or two. We blast when we boost, throw you the bag, I'll eat the oop. Used to be cash, now I get bags. No more throwing the cash. QR code on all of her assets. She got a ledger address. She said, send me a drop, leave me a memo without a tag. You feeling attached, so many bags. You don't wanna send your XRP. Do you mind waiting BTC? It'll be there in an hour. I got crypto powers. You can smell my flowers.
I'm spending my fiat on bags, they holding the fear that's sad. I'm not gonna take it a chance. I'm chilling, got me down in hands. Yeah, fuck all the haters, they mad. Cause it's your coin winning a crash to the moon. Next up your bags, the bigger the bag, the bigger the splash.
Look what we got, straight to the top. It do not stop, mixing the pot. Digital gold, don't take the shot. Got it on lock, 3, 2, 1. Rockets in the sky. I got my mind on my crypto and my crypto on my mind.
I'm spending my fiat on bags, they holding the fear that's sad. I'm not gonna take it a chance. I'm chilling, got me down in hands. Yeah, fuck all the haters, they mad. Cause it's your coin winning a crash to the moon. Next up your bags, the bigger the bag, the bigger the splash.
Yo guys, I'm still here with you people. I'm just brooding. There's a lot to talk about today, yo. And where I'm gonna be coming out with a lot of information. So stay tuned.
You already know we the greatest. We can't take it. We overcame it. You already know we the greatest. We finally made it. First place it. I always keep a fat bag next to me. All my other coins, they rest in peace. The Ripple Net team got the recipe. 589 the trajectory. I got my coin stashed like treasury. I told you to buy, you gon' remember me. But I'm a Greek ghost like a memory. It's gonna be an unsolved mystery. They gon' have to do a documentary. I got a big stash like dispensaries. I knew it was coming like sensory. And I'ma be rich for like centuries. You gon' wanna join my ancestry. You gon' wish you was right next to me. I made it out, you locked the penitentiary. And all I smell is sweet victory. You already know we the greatest. We can't take it, we overcame it. You already know we the greatest. We finally made it. First place it. You already know we the greatest. We can't take it, overtake it. You already know we the greatest. We finally made it. First place it.
That's right, we're the greatest. Living life in abundance is the bestest. XRP community is the baddest. XRP is the fastest. Using law of attraction to the fullest. Buying dips, holding strong is my weakness. And bags over here is my weakness. Lady E speaking into existence. Hella bullshit, bullying is nonsense. Stop hating cause you ain't us. Crypto pioneers, what they name us. We're aiming for the moonshot, but you're aimless. Speaking hateful words cause you're tasteless. Cuts in the cranium, leave you domeless. We head bob into the beat priceless. Killing traps lifeless, spreading hate heartless. You showing love is a key to greatness.
You already know we the greatest. We can't overtake it. We overcame it. You already know we the greatest. We finally made it. First place it. You already know we the greatest. We can't take it, overtake it. You already know we the greatest. We finally made it. First place it. Too much hype make you lose sight. Too much dark make you lose light. Time to join forces and get it right, right. Only matter of ticking time. We only have one earth, gotta get it right. We can't bow down, gotta win the fight. We all awake and we all light. Hold the standard till it take flight. Now we got the funds to do what we want to. I said we have a party to drain the swamp. We the greatest, they gon' hate this. The XRP fleet on the spaceships. Had an eye on the prize, now we first place lit. And I'm the bag man, bags man. And I'm the bag man, getting bags man. And what they gonna say when we blast off in space? And what they gonna say when we take first place?
AMG, XRP, LOA, make my day. Welcome to the future, welcome to the show. Welcome to the party, welcome to the show. James Rule, XRP is on the go. Believe, achieve, receive. It's the laws of attraction, you gotta believe. XRP is going past the moon. We're going on a journey to the universe. XRP money never sleeps. The James Rule XRP in the house. I am not a financial advisor. I am a teacher of crypto teachers, and I'm gonna get you excited, people. Get excited. Welcome to the universe. Welcome to the future. Welcome to the show. XRP money never sleeps.
XRP money never sleeps. 24, 7 days a week. Talking all that FUD like the sheep. I hope you miss it. Stay asleep. XRP, see it in your dreams. 24/7, never sleep, never sleep. Send that money instant. LOA, baby. Achieve and receive. Using money is too slow. They're gonna make money flow. Call up and enjoy the show. Laws of attraction make it grow. Mind like a magnet, what you say it will sow. Better ask somebody if you don't know. Pound up pot and it's full of gold. LOA, we on the road. James Rule in the house, let's go. Let them bulls out riding low. Past the moon, yes, we gon' blow. Move no soon, no moving slow. All of a sudden, boom on the go. Now we racing up the slope. Vision locked like in the scope. Positive vibes filled up with gold. XRP money never sleeps. 24, 7 days a week. Talking all that FUD like a sheep. I hope you miss it, stay asleep. XRP, see it in your dreams. 24/7, never sleep. Send that money instant.
LOA, baby.
Achieve and receive. Energy always pure, never stops. Rocket out the atmosphere to the top. And my bag's running so deep. Send it on a ripple net, send it feel cheap. 24/7 ripple net, never sleeps. Auto the auto, we wake in the sheep. So they can see when they wake up, maybe they will buy up some XRP. If they get the wake up call, then we will see. I'm in the rocket ship, buckled up in my seat. We about to blast, we about to blow. Please buckle up and please enjoy the show.
XRP bags, baby. James Rule XRP. Get excited, people. Get excited. Because we're going to shoot past the moon with XRP. 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 We're going to rock the world with XRP. XRP is the way of the future. XRP is the future of data. Peace out, XRP. James Rule XRP. And XRP bags. We out of here.
want my XRP castle. I got my XRP castle. I'm in my XRP castle. I want my, this that PG123 castle pit. Castle pit. Castle pit. This that PG123 castle pit. Castle pit. Castle pit. I'm in my castle now, living lavish now. Yeah, we held it down, now we hold the crown. No one knows us now, cause it's a ghost town. Rocket engines loud, rockets boosting now. Turbocharged sound, supersonic pow, into another round. And now we hold the helm, don't be overwhelmed. You never handled well, but now you living well. And now we running round like a touchdown, dancing all around, cause we run the town. If you ain't hear us then, I bet you hear us now. And when I'm gonna sell, when it's pumping, at 2K I'ma dump it, buy it back when it's slumping, double up my nuggets, copy me, you gonna love it, not advice but trust it, no discussion, yes we bustin', bottle thrusting, the moon we touching, we keep on crushing, it was nothing, keep on pumping, XRP castle, I got my XRP castle, I'm in my XRP castle, I want my, this that PG123 castle,
about to build me a castle, about to build me a castle, or XRP without a hassle,
this that PG123 castle,
about to build me a castle, about to build me a castle, or XRP without a hassle. With XRP blow, I'ma build me a castle. Bought some more XRP without a hassle. Taught myself out of my digital asses. Graduated, flipping the tassel. Ignore the haters, all they do is babble. Bullets, beat on my desk like a gavel. The moon on the list of places we gon' travel. Sit back, watch how this Bullrun unravel. Ooh, investing money to make me more money in this asset class and it's new. I got my ledger with XRP on it. It stick to me just like it's glue. I'm bullish, I'm bullish, I'm bullish, I'm bullish. Don't really know about you. XRP vision, I see with precision. The masses can't see what I view. About to build a castle, can't forget the moat. Got my bags packed, I ain't missed the boat. No. Say you understand, but you really don't. Say you gon' invest, but you really won't. You ain't get the message, you ain't get the note. XRP the best, we don't need to vote. Greatest of all time, that's all she wrote. XRP the GOAT. Yes, I made this choice and I did not do this mistakenly. No. I know where this spaceship going, I'm waiting so patiently. Yes, sir. I invest in XRP and I do it so blatantly. You know, I don't deal with haters, can't let them get close to me. Nah, get away from me, get away from me.
I want my XRP castle. I want my XRP castle. I want my XRP castle. I want my, sitting in my castle, top floor, top floor, top floor, top floor. Sitting in my castle, top floor, top floor, top floor, top floor, top floor. It's a bull run, get your bags up, in your rocket ships, we gon' blast up, it's a bull run, I got my bag stuffed, we gon' take the cup, tick tock, your time's up, it's a bull run, get your bags up, in your rocket ships, we gon' blast up, big bags, it's a bull run, I got my bag stuffed, we gon' take the cup, tick tock, your time's up. All them bears retreating and them bulls back eating and them bears back sleeping. Big bags, I've been getting big bags all weekend. Weekday, party on the moon till it decay. I'm surfing, big naps, sat bags, we surging. We done held through all the circus, knew all the facts on the surface. The flood not working, I'm holding with a purpose. 100,000 X with the purses. When we left off, that's 100,000 horses. Scorching, big bags, I done made a fortune. Feel all the forces, the XRP on me, hold the torches. Meet us at the XRP castle at the fortress. It's a bull run, get your bags up, in your rocket ships. We gon' blast up. It's a bull run. I got my bag stuffed. We gon' take the cup. Tick tock, your time's up. It's a bull run. Get your bags up. In your rocket ships. We gon' blast up. Big bags. It's a bull run. I got my bag stuffed. We gon' take the cup. Tick tock, your time's up. Got my Scrooge McDuck vault. Filled it up with them alts. 10K the end game. Yeah, I made the call. If you ain't getting no bags, then that's your own damn fault. We was about to blow, then they put out the trading halt. You asking who they is? That's them hidden hands. They don't want you with no bags when we hit them grands. I'm stacking up them digital bands. You didn't have your chance. Now them bulls about to pass. And I'ma jump and ride it and cash out when we at the highest. Yeah, we thriving. That cash is dying. Bag man, get you vibing. Them bulls is flying. Them prices spiking. Parabolic. We just keep on rising. It's a bull run. Get your bags up. In your rocket ships. We gon' blast up. It's a bull run. I got my bag stuffed. We gon' take the cup. Tick tock, your time's up. It's a bull run. Get your bags up. In your rocket ships. We gon' blast up. It's a bull run. I got my bag stuffed. We gon' take the cup. Tick tock, your time's up. Big bags. I get little bags. I be getting fat bags. I be stuffing small bags. I be getting all bags.
Is ready to go. I copy. Range weather. Launch director, we are moving straight to launch. Copy that. And our manager. 10, the MMP is working, no issues, you're clear to launch. I copy. And Discovery, looks like a great day to go fly, so have a good mission and we'll see you back in a few days. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, main engine ignition, 4, 3, 2,
Blood in the streets. Samurai is getting bloody. Hey, or should I say watery? My bags keep dripping and that buddy keep slipping. Opportunities missing and you just keep wishing while that price keep dipping. I'ma keep getting, you tripping. Back in my rocket, now we shipping, we flipping. Triple digits, now we went missing. Rocket ship. My bags keep spilling, I'ma make a killing. And ripple drop dripping, dripping, dripping. Hey, ninja stars keep flying and the prices keep skying. Them rocket ship pilots and I bought my own island. Rocket land itself while I parachute down. Killed the king, took the crown while you got spun around. Media manipulation and they got you tuned in. Shilling shit coins and they ain't mooning. All my bags busted and they all booming. You a product of the TV, you all sound sheepy, you all look sleepy. What is they feeding? Why you keep eating? It's dumbed down season and it's all nonsense. You hooked on it like phonics. I be getting bags all day to be honest. I don't got no time to be dealing with no nonsense. I be in my rocket, bags I'm staying on it. I'm locked in and you a pawn and a puppet. They got strings and a hand up and you love it. Samurai switching souls, chopping off heads. I don't hear no bud no more, it's all dead. Look up in the sky, rockets keep skying. Look up in the sky, bagman flying. Samurai switching souls, chopping off heads. I don't hear no bud no more, it's all dead. Ay, look up in the sky, rockets keep skying. Look up in the sky, bagman flying. Waiting on the pump, coming summertime. Man, all my bags stacked in the summer mine. Sunglasses on, cause the future bright. Bagman, moon commander, be flying nights. I like the view better, I like the moonlight. 589 mothership in this moon time. If you ain't get it, ticket probably wasn't meant to be. You just a bagman, moon commander wanna be. And my dock's getting heavy, gotta let some bags go. Moon boy, push the lever and let them bags go. Staking on the flare networks now, watch my bags grow. Flare samurais flying through them astros. I told you how to stuff a bag when them bags low. I show you how to stake it, bake it, watch them bags blow. But you ain't wanna wanna listen to that Moonbag Commander, aka Moonbag and that Moonbag Dancer. Sunrise, switching souls, chopping off heads. I don't hear no FUD no more, it's all dead. Look up in the sky, rockets keep skying. Look up in the sky, Batman flying. Samurai, switching swords, chopping off heads. I don't hear no FUD no more, it's all dead. Look up in the sky, rockets keep skying. Look up in the sky, Batman flying. It's the XRP Mafia. We get the bags every day, we stuff his bags every day. We the XRP Mafia. Keep on talking FUD, and we gon' chop you up and snatch your bags up. Who's some V-Chain? Snatch your Tron up and take your Neo. You had some chain link, left your Bitcoin. You had some Digibyte, swooped your Doge up, took your bat too. You know I had to. What I leave you with some shit coins. It's the XRP Mafia. Keep on talking FUD, and we gon' chop you up. Snatch your bags up. Back to the castle in my fortress. You can't afford this. I'm with the Mafia, all aboard in orbit. You left the game early and you aborted. The Mafia scooped your bags, now they soaring. We don't care what you say. Those bankers got us paid, now we chillin' in the shade. You made the wrong trade, this the army, the brigade. We went ghost, here's a toast, till they fade away. It's the XRP Mafia. We get the bags every day, we stuff his bags every day. And we gon' chop it up, snatch your bags up. We flying, we skying, we highin' out the atmosphere. You lying, you crying, you dying, and we out here. We in the sky, you ain't welcome here. You still trying to climb, you a mountaineer. My bag's packed, loaded. We about to blast off, yeah, we blowing. It's the XRP Mafia. Keep on talking FUD, and we gon' chop you up and snatch your bags up. Don't act like you ain't had a chance. You had a chance. You had a chance. Now look where you at. You see us. You see us. It's the Mafia in the building. XRP Mafia. Cool Cat Beats. And like that, we gone. That's that winning bell. No, when you hear it, that we living well. Did you hear that? That's that winning bell. I got that winter smell. Look where I'm at, man, I'm doing well. Swimming with the dolphins, collecting shells. You asking how I got here, how high did I sell? All you need to know that is that I'm living well. I'm paid now, in the shade now. You hate now, throwing shade now. I got my headphones in and my shades down. I don't hear it doing great now. That's that winning bell. No, when you hear it, that we living well. That's that winning bell. No, when you hear it, that we living well. Big ships on spaceships racing. Big chips bubble up, we all bracing. The first where we placing. All we do is keep raising. Look at all the gains we keep making. You ain't had a time, all the patience. All-time highs, yeah, we breaking. 589 got you shaking. Looking at the stars, breathtaking. Look at where we're at, it's amazing. Red rockets roaring and blazing. Now you bowing down and you praising. XRP, what you craving? Off into the stars, picture fading. We finally